up to niggas talking like me. Talk. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Talk. I woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me.
Boy, I think they like me. Yeah, they like me. Diamonds on me, ice cream. Oh, that's light. My Draco bitch a spite. Diamonds on me, bite. I heard these niggas wanna fight me. Meet me at my next show, but you better bring a pipe.
Yo, Chad, what up, what up, what up?
She like me,
What's up, Chad? What's going on?
So excited. Fuck. Benny cool,
we're live,
with
we're live, we're live.
Fuck. I just spent 100 on my watch. Fuck. I done fell in love with a Dodge. Fuck. She just wanna fuck me for my clouds. Fuck. Bitch, I'm off the lean, I crashed the all. Fuck. I just spent 200 on his all. Truck.
Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Talk. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Talk. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Talk. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Talk. I woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me.
Oh, I think they like me. In my white tee. Oh, no, baby. Smoke so much, don't need some vice. Young nigga don't like me, but I just like me. Fucked all of y'all bitches, so they parties don't invite me. That bitch that you wife, she so tight. I been getting money, so don't nothing really excite me. Cardi bought a 6 and a 4 of the right wing. Damn that boy, asking for some more, like the spanking. Yeah, that's that dirty. That's that dirty. That girl all up in my face like she ain't try to swerve me. These boys all up in my lane, I swear they keep on merging. No, I cannot see a lane, cause my Rolls Royce got curtains. Now is my time. Now is my time.
Oh, man.
Everybody rock with me because I'm up now. Took your girl and I'm scoring like I made the touchdown.
What's going on? What's going on?
And that Lambo doors go up and
Stop,
on the
we're
bus
here,
now.
we're here.
Used to want a G-Shot.
Man,
now
gold is
with a
looking
bus now.
a little mid today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys.
It's
looking just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. But hopefully it'll pick up, you know?
Peek and drop
Just a
with
little
the
bit.
phone and some drop. Stab my knots, count a lot, saw a lot.
Hold on.
Got them rocks, diamond rocks with the pop.
And I was looking-
Suicide, 1600, that's the plot. Your girl that's check free. She ain't used to text me, now she want caress me. She keep
just a little mid.
I got tell my bestie, someone call my bestie. Say I found my bestie, link up, make the check bleed. You know that I'm smoking dope, I'll be hot till next week. No, I had to let her go, cause she can't.
Green said call it. Yo,
Walk up with my toolie with
I would call it. I'm kidding. Nah, looking alright. It's alright. It's not the craziest, but it's looking doable today, unless it picks up here. You have news too, so that might help it. But yo, I thought yesterday was gonna be a much better day than what it was, but I guess not. I mean, we did move like 300 pips in the last like 42 hours, so I mean, that's something. Better than not moving at all, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's looking like it's looking alright. Looking alright. Alright, hold on. Let me just yeah, it is moving, yeah. Where's my chat at? Hold on. Chat room. Okay, there it is. I was gonna say. Yeah, so no, let me just send me a Zoom link chat, and then we'll get started on this analysis and whatnot, you know. And then whatnot. Hold on. Let me just see if. Oh damn! YouTube paid me well this month. Chat, I'm not gonna lie. This is the biggest paycheck I ever got from YouTube. It was 8 pips. I've never gotten 8 pips on YouTube in my life. That is a pretty decent amount on YouTube. When I first started on YouTube, I was getting paid maybe like 8 pips on a point 10 lot. Now I'm getting 8 pips on a 30 lot. I'll take it. It just hit. I've never seen a YouTube check that big in my life. All right, yo. Where's my music? Man, you know when you play intro music, get hyped, and you play this thing, and you're just like, just changes the mood. Like, I know every song they play now. Like, this is a live stream, right? This is like a 24-hour live stream, but I know every song because this is all we listen to. I've heard every song here. I've heard these songs 1,000 times in Drawdown. I've heard these songs 1,000 times in Profit. I've heard these songs 1,000 times when I close trades off. I've heard these songs way too many times. It's funny. Let me just share my screen. Elvis message it. Let's add Jack. He actually alright, yo, whose MT5 is this, bro? Tell me your secrets, because tell me your secrets, bro. I'm trying to buy 267 Bugattis here as well, bro. No, 267,000 Bugattis, right? Because one Bugatti is like what, around, you know, depends on what you get it for, right? But let's just say a Bugatti is $1 million. Yo, I'm trying to buy 267,000 of those. Yo, if your mentor doesn't have an MT5 that looks like this, don't trust him. If he has something like this, that's the way to go. Look at this. Bro caught 20 bips. Oh no, he lost 20 bips. But still, yo, if your mentor's MT5 does not look like this, you cannot trust him. It has to look like that minimum. If he's not popping over a 5 million lot size, he ain't the right mentor. He shouldn't be streaming on YouTube. He shouldn't be shouldn't be selling courses. Shouldn't be having a signal room. Shouldn't be having a community. He's just not the right guy, you know. Yeah, you gotta have the right guy for this stuff. This is Jack's this is the London Adventures their PAM account apparently. The London Adventures they have a single they combined their funds together, and this is what they did. Bro, you can't even do this lot size. Yo, the broker will get liquidated in like 1 pip, bro. The broker that the broker won't even be able to manage these funds. You need to combine brokers. You need to team up. You need a team of like 20 brokers to be able to place one order like this. This is IT. Yeah, this is for real ICT screenshot, bro. Bro's up there. He's up there. That's why he never posts. He's up there. All right. Oh, it's cold as shit in here, man. Oof. Yeah, hoodie. Hold on, let me get a hoodie. I gotta do this analysis in while I'm cozy. I don't want to wear green. 200. Mad cold in here, bro. Damn. Mad cold in here, bro. Gotta pull the Monclizzy. Alright, yo. Gotta do this analysis here in North Pole, apparently. Alright, yo. So basically, chat. Basically, you know, you got a lot of stuff going on today. You got a lot of stuff going on today. So, I think today you have what do you call it? You have what is this? Friday, right? So Friday 22nd, you got Flash Services PMI. All right, so you got Flash Services PMI and then Flash Manufacturing PMI. Manufacturing comes first. So but that's gonna be at 8:45 or 9:45 chat. So that can be at 8:30, right? 9:45. You have that going on, and then I think next week you had FOMC this week. So next week you have CB Consumer Confidence, and then Wednesday, Thursday you have unemployment claims, final GDP. What was that? And then Friday you got core PC price index. So next week looks pretty decent. I think next week you have pretty chill folders, so if anything you should continue to ride with the trend. But yeah, man, let me just press record here, make sure things are good. All right, yo. So a couple things here, chat. So starting off with the monthly time frame, right? So obviously it looks like we are coming making our way, I guess we are making our way to the last day of the week. The monthly got 7 days left, and we're still in this range here. So there's a very high chance, I'm pretty sure next week we're gonna close within this range. I mean, if we close outside the range, I would not complain. That would be amazing. But with the way things are looking, you're likely gonna close in the range. So next week, if anything, you may see price come up to create a top wick, because I believe price has to create that top wick before it does anything else here. So even if you close in the range here, right, you would probably expect like price to create a top wick, and then if anything, continue to push down afterwards, or just continue to push up. But that top wick area is likely going to be tapped before it does anything else, right? The top wick area is right here. It's going to be at like 1966. So if it's not this week, then it's next week. But that level likely is going to be tapped before you decide where you want to go next. The weekly here is pretty interesting. You have about, what do you call it? You have about 9 hours left, and I don't know how you're going to close it today, but I'm assuming that I think you came down last night, you created a bottom wick, right? But the weekly is still bearish here, so any given point can still close bearish, right? There is a support here that you're holding, right? Support going across, but also there's a resistance here, or there's also, this is one massive range, as you can say as well, right? If you take a look here, this is one massive range. There's some type of resistance over here, there's some type of support over here, and this is just the range you're in. So if this is the range you're in, there's a high chance that you're going to continue down. But before continuing down, you're gonna need to break below these ranges. You're gonna need to close below here. You close below here, sure, you know, you can likely continue to drive down here towards the next support, and that next support area is gonna be somewhere around here at like 1815, right? But let's see how we close today. You have 9 hours left. I don't know if you have enough volume to really push down that deep, but I think the daily, if I'm not wrong, has no bottom wick, so we can probably look at something there. Yeah, right here, daily has no bottom wick, right? So I think the daily close back inside the ranges here. That's cute. So yeah, that's cool. Close inside the ranges, looking left, you got your next support down here at like 1906 here, right? So that's your next range to the left. Maybe you can move it down a little further, down towards here. This overall range is like a nice what is this? Nice 200 hit range. So there's a possibility at any given point today you could flip bearish due to the fact that you did close below the range yesterday. But there's no top wick. And I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting that top wick to be formed today because it was a long shot, right? It'll have to drive up quite a bit, but it looks like you haven't driven down yet, obviously, and you're still making your way up. So is there a possibility you could create a top wick for the previous candle high, right? Because then if that were to happen, you know, price will look somewhat like this. It will flip bearish, and then by the time it flips bearish, you'll have a high on that candle, top wick, and perfect. It'll look somewhat like that. If you look left as well, the areas to the left that price has tapped into in the past, like you're looking at like this area right here, right? These areas to the left here, these areas here, this right here, maybe like, yeah, like these areas to the left here. So like if I'm looking at my resistance, right, I'm noticing that there's rejections here, rejections, 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 right? So if you were to combine all those dots there, right, like we used to do in junior kindergarten, connect the dots, right? School was useful, kindergarten was definitely useful. We learned to connect the dots. We connect the dots here, right? So then you go ahead and put, you know, you can kind of connect all the lines, like I guess you get the average medium of all levels, right? And then it shows that it's gonna be around like 1926. What a coincidence! 1926 is what? 1926 is the top wick area, right? This purple zone right here. So if we can get the top wick, perfect. We can look to come down to retest the lows, and we'll look for sells around those areas to the left there. So it's gonna be anywhere from like 1932, 1933-ish. We're gonna drop down to a small time to see exactly what the level is, but it should be around 32, 35-ish in those zones, all right? For potential sells. And then we are still open to buys, but let's take a look at the small time to see what's printed here. So dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour shows you that we are what? We are currently, so you have some ranges here, right? So let's go ahead and develop those ranges first, just so we can have a better idea of where price is and what it's forming and all that good stuff, right? So it looks like there is a resistance to the left here at like 1928. There also is a support down here at like 1909 here, right? So I guess you can put right here. Right here should be good. Yeah, I'll say you have a support right there. So what does this mean for gold? It means that we're in the range. At one given point, we broke out the range. Remember, pre-FOMC, you broke out the range. All of a sudden, you pushed up to FOMC. Remember that drawdown we had, right? We pushed up to FOMC, and all of a sudden, FOMC came out, and boom, it came back into the range, right? It pushed price back into these ranges here, and then you end up making your way down towards the 1913 level. You tap that level, right? So there's still a possibility that could just be the bottom wick for us to drive up, like, because for the longest time we mentioned last week that 1913 needed to get tapped in order for us to drive up, right? Because in order for us to mirror these pushes to the left here, in order for us to mirror these pushes to the left, these pushes to the left here, you kind of need to tap into 13 levels before doing so, right? So it came down, tapped 13, and then from there it just kind of made its way up, right? But understand the current situation of price, and the current situation shows that the daily is bearish. We closed in the range, and we are still respecting this resistance. Maybe if we end up closing above here at 9 a.m., then sure, there's some potential that we can likely drive up to retest the highs, right? But until that actually happens, any given point, you can still reject this resistance, right? You can get a candle coming down like this for the 9 a.m., the 4-hour candle here, and then all of a sudden it's bullish, all of a sudden it flips bearish and it closes back into the range like this, right? But I do believe that you do need liquidity before driving down, right? So if you were to drive down today, you need to grab liquidity. If there's resistance at 28, right, it makes sense. Going back to the daily time frame that we mentioned, your level was like around 33, 32-ish, right? That's around here in these ranges. So you can respect this resistance for all you want. That's cool, right? All of a sudden, you get a candle creating a top wick. Boom, perfect. We'll grab sells coming down to fill the range. Tap into 1913 again to retest the lows. All right, so that's what we'll be looking for here. So really all you gotta do now is drop down to a smaller time frame, which is what I do. I'll go down to 30, 1 hour and 15. I'll be like, okay, well, what looks the cleanest here, right? What makes the most sense here for us to drive down if you were to drive down? So in this case, if you were to drive down, I'll say, let's go ahead and mark up our levels again. Let's use I want to use the 1 hour, but the 30 isn't too bad here. 15 also isn't too bad as well, but I think the 30 looks pretty decent. Yeah, so let's go ahead and put this resistance up here at 1930. I believe we're likely gonna tap 1930 here. I don't see a reason we shouldn't. It's kind of like a decision level, right? It's a level where price will make a decision at on where it wants to go next. And you're gonna notice that every time prices drove down in the past, it had to tap 1930 first. Like you see this push here, came up, tapped 1930, and then it made a push down, right? So like even in these areas too, right? 30, like it didn't come down completely, but it came down and gave you this advantage point from 1930 to 1922, which is the 80 pip range, 70 pip range for all I know. So it's pretty decent. Same thing happened here, right? Same thing happened here. So any given point, you could just tap and reject those areas at 1930. What I'll do now is I'll look for, I'm trying to see. So we have a 1 hour opening here. The 1 hour candle came up here, created a top wick. It looks like the 1 hour candle is still respecting overall. I'll say this is your major resistance here, 1930. So I'll say if we can get a top wick to left tapping, let's see. I'll say you want to look at these wicks here to the left. I'll say this is pretty decent. Right around here, if I can mark my levels up, this is pretty decent. Let's see, what's the mirror on price here? So we came up from here, you made your way down towards 14, then you came back up towards 30. Yeah, 34 should be good. 34, 460, 34, 470 here. If you can continue to respect 1930, right? You're gonna see candles that look like this, right? So you're gonna see candles look like this. It can wick up, right? But it's a lot, as long as it continues to stay below 1930, right? That's all that matters, really. We form resistance there, cool. All of a sudden, you have a candle looking like this, right? Taps 30, that'll be our wick entry. From 1934 down towards like 1922 or even like 1918, you can probably grab it down towards. But you want to continue to see these candles close respecting, which it is doing right now. Before again, sales coming down. It's very rare where you'll see this forward candle continue to push down here. Realistically, you need to tap into these levels first. You need to grab liquidity before coming down, right? Because especially when you're coming down like this, and you're like, there's a range to fill now, right? And you haven't tapped into the ranges. There's a very high chance that you're gonna tap 30 before doing anything else today, before going up or even before going down, whatever the case may be. But that 30 level is very, very, very key. So if anything, we can honestly just take a buy, anticipating that price is gonna drive out towards 1930. There's a very high chance you are. I'm just trying to see where I can get those buys exactly. But if we could, let's see. Right, but you have to also understand what game you're playing today as well. Like if I were to take a buy right now, I have to understand that I'm taking that buy towards that decision level, right? I'm not taking that buy to anticipate price to flip bullish towards like 1947 for all-time reversal. I'm looking to grab maybe a small chunk of price, maybe here to here. That's like a $4 move, $3 move, right? But you have to understand that based on what the market's printing and giving you, right? I don't know if you need liquidity driving up, because ideally you're expecting the move to go down, right, with the daily. So you may not see liquidity going up. You may just continue to drive up without liquidity. But if we could tap into like 1923, I'll look for buys around there, like 1923 to the left here, 23.196. I'll look for buys going up to retest the highs. All right. But yeah, chat, that's what I'll probably wait for. Okay. For buys. So yeah, the buys today is sells, right? We are looking for sells at 1934, right? But until you actually tap 34, there's no sells, and you gotta make your way up anyways. So we can just take the buys on our way up. Perfect. This range going up is like 60-pip range, and all of a sudden you have more sells than 1934. I mean, amazing. That'd be lovely. Obviously, the daily could flip at any given point, right? But you have advantage points here as well too if you were to tap 23, because I'll assume that even if price weren't to drive back up and were to look like this, at some given point, it's got to create a top wick. I would assume it will be the next candle. And since your entry is at the bottom of the range, you have a very high chance to exit with price if price were to go against you. And you can exit in profit, if anything. All right. But yeah, Chad, that's what I got going on here for positions today. All right. I'm trying to see if we can get some buys going up towards 30 and then some sells down from 34 towards 1922. The sells will be the bigger runner. The buys will be a bit more aggressive in terms of like there's lesser range. So you want to be a bit more aggressive with managing risk. We might close this fall at 10 for all I know. All right, chat, coming close here. We may get off rip for all I know. Bro, it's mad cold outside. That's why I'm wearing a jacket. It actually is cold, chat. I'm not even exaggerating. It's like, it says 22 degrees, but I swear it feels like it's like 4 degrees right now, Celsius. Like it's cold. But it's gonna get hot too. Like, it always gets hot like during my stream, especially when I'm streaming for 6 hours. You know, I'm streaming till like noon at this point every day. So by the time it hits noon, it's kind of like. (22 Fahrenheit? Not 22 degrees, yo. Mad cold. He's bought a jacket to pay. Oh no, his jacket's like 3 years old. I've never seen a dude in Florida with a jacket though. Yeah, these buys are clean if we can come down towards 1930 here, chat. Very clean. If we can. I'm assuming Comics Open should give us that push towards 1930. Are you still above a million? Yeah, we drew like 300k. We hit a million already. Yo, I step away for 1 second. Things already pushing. Okay, 23.196 chat. Potential here, potential. I'd assume stops would be like 1910. Let's see, can we tap it? Can we tap 1923 here? Bro, when I'm at the wrong side. No. We're still here. This could be a bottom way for the previous 1 hour as well. It might even reject at 24 here for all I know, but like chat, for those that are who came late to the streams, like we are bearish today. We are looking for sells down, but sells it will make sense at 34 or 30. You need to tap 30 first before making that decision. So we're looking for buys going up towards 30 before getting sells down. Make sense? But understand that's the game you're playing. The game you're playing today is this is the pullback, right? But the game you're playing later on is continuation. So for the pullback, we're gonna have to be a bit more aggressive when it comes to risk management in terms of like styles of break even, all that good stuff. If we can get a wick entry, that'd be great. If not, then I guess that's fine as well. We'll hug it. A non-wick entry will do too. Should continue to pop here. We're only like how far are we away? 16 pips. What's the difference between your free and paid course? My free course is like text. My paid one is like videos. So this one's all just text. There's no videos, but the paid one is videos. It's like me sitting down talking. Yo, it's mad cold, bro. This hoodie is not doing it. Can we tap? I have 1923.19 chat. Pips away. Oh, we had a bomb wave for the 4-hour candle as well, which is cool. A little further down, gold. I'm assuming comments open will push price back up. If we're pushing down here. So lowest time frame to use the 30-second chart. The 30-second chart. Is the wicks here? The wicks is not here. Inez. Yo, how's London, bro?
What's going on?
Yo, the London Avenger, bro. You're going crazy in London. How's London last night?
Yeah, it was so close to tapping our sell level.
Nothing.
It was at 30.2, I think, or 30.4, where we're looking for sells.
It was let me pull it up.
Yeah, 1930.46 is where I was looking at.
Oh, I see. 30. Yeah, I see. Yeah. That's what I'm looking for today.
Yeah, it was just off the hourly before where all the wicks just tapped into, and it just seems to drive from that level.
I guess you probably would have grabbed like 40 or something off that, right?
Yeah, because you would have also been anticipating the daily flip
Yeah, that's clean.
to fill the rest of the range.
How many views you have last night? Like 400?
No, I think we peaked 387, I think it was.
What was the mostly peaked?
We've gotten 480, I think. It was when I took that loss as well.
Oh damn. Yeah, see, like
Everyone.
I think the first couple of times, every time I peak like I peak viewers starting up, I always took a loss. Every time I got like my new 1,000 or my first 800, my first 2,000. Bro, I remember those days.
Yeah, they always come for the loss.
Yeah, bro. Something about them.
Alright, it is what it is. It's been pretty slow though, like the volume, there hasn't been heaps of volume in London recently.
Yeah, this week's been New York dominant, but the weeks prior to this week has been London dominant. If Don peaks don't trade, no, we peaked the other day. I think we took a win though. We took 4 pip win on FOMC after sitting 100 pips in drawdown. I think we broke the streak though. We broke the streak. That sounds bad. And but you crushing it though. It's only been like what, a month and a half since you started streaming. 2 months maybe.
Yeah. No, I think it's been about a month and a bit.
Or have 400 viewers. Like you're doing Wixnite numbers already.
Nah, Wix is sitting at like 600 average, I think. It's crazy for Asian session.
The good thing is that we have Asian session covered, or every session covered though. It's lit.
Yeah, we need to get that that DVS overlay.
Yeah, I know, bro.
That'll be sick.
Yeah, I really want to get that done. I'm gonna ask the guy who's making my intro for me, because if he might be able to make an animated one too.
Yeah, that'd be mad.
That'd be sick.
All hours of the day, everyone's gonna see DVS stream.
Huh? What did you say?
All hours of the day, like everyone's gonna see on their YouTube feed.
Yeah,
DVS.
Everyone's gonna know.
DVS.
This is the DVS streams. Only valid traders. A lot of people are starting to stream and claim they're DVS now. I'm like, I don't know. Let's see how you do. Let's see. Yeah, you can jump on at any time. Even Elvis is on live stream during the Asian after the New York session. He's on during that Asian slot, like that pre-Asian slot between like Eastern time. I think it's like between 5 and 8, right? He's on between that time. So like every hour of the day basically is covered. If anything, we might need somebody for like pre-London, and then we're good. People doing the pre-sessions, the pre-analysis. It's just like waiting rooms, right? Like you have like it's just 24/7. You run the just value across every stream. Doesn't stop. Face can't come by DVS. Funny. I don't know what happened to them, but definite inspiration for sure.
Yeah, that's what he texted me. It was we want to be the like the FaZe clan.
Yeah, FaZe, 100 Thieves. Want to start our own stuff going on over here. Own community. Wow, you're really not gonna tap into 1923 here. They got too corporate. Yeah, they messed up. They sold their company to the corporates, and then yeah, they took over, and then it started like I don't know. I guess like they had no control over the business no more. I mean, it's still their stuff, right? Their FaZe stuff, but it's like they don't run it. Like they're only signing. It just doesn't feel authentic anymore, right? Oh man, chat. That might be it. I don't know. Let's see what comics does here. Should bring in the volume for us here. We have no news until 9:45, so we should be able to grab something here. Measuring Austria on one channel, that's doable too. Oh, Wix is here. Yo, Wix, what up? What's the deal? What's the deal?
What's the dealio?
May get biased in here.
Yeah.
Can I get a yeah?
Yeah.
I've seen good things about you. I've seen you around for a while, and even no other live traders have said good things about you. I can't wait to go over your free course. Yeah. Let's go over it, man. No need to wait. It's free. Take notes on it. Enjoy it. Enjoy the live streams. Bruv, is that it? Oh no. Oh no, comics open. You can push down a little further than that.
Oh no.
Might be
Big
it.
Slim Doe. 80 pound.
What? Are you singing Pound Town?
No.
No, I'm not singing that song.
Hi, boss.
Bro, it was
Yeah,
so
I
cold.
lost my voice,
I was wearing a Montclair during my analysis. It was,
What? To feel like an Eskimo?
bro, it's mad cold. Yeah, I'm wearing a hoodie right now. It's mad cold, bro. It's not even winter yet.
Boy, it's real Canadian.
You know how
from,
it's like it's
North
not cold
Canada.
enough to put the AC, the heater on, but it's cold. You know what I'm saying? It's like there's no point in putting the heater on because it's not that cold, but it's cold.
Nah, you know they do that shit in Florida for style. Like you will have people in like shorts, white beaters, and a fucking bubble jacket. Like, bitch, what are you doing?
Bro, trying to change the temperature, bro.
We don't use the heater. What you mean we don't use the heater? I heard like 18 gunshots overnight.
The heater.
Yeah, I definitely use the heater when I sleep. I don't know what you do at night over here in Florida.
Can you explain what a buy range does to 23? Yeah, because I wouldn't like usually I would say wait for like 19 to get tapped or something, but in today's case it's a little different because sorry, I gotta my bad. Today's case is a little different because we're bearish today, right? So the idea is that you grab liquidity up to drive down, not liquidity down to drive up. I mean, don't get me wrong, you could still grab liquidity down to drive up, right? But I'm assuming that the move today will be a bearish push since the day is bearish and everything else is bearish. So it's just about tapping into 1930, 1933 first before coming down. So that's why I want to take advantage of, of the buys from 23 going up towards 1930, so that we could so we can grab that push there up. It's a decent range. It's like a 40-50 pip range. So I'm looking to grab a piece of that. But I just want to see if we can tap these levels first. That's like what's key here. You need volume first anyways, right? So you'll see the volume come in. If you don't tap it here, then you might tap it in the next 1 hour candle low, but you'll tap it at some given point before dipping down, right? Because all the times that you actually dip down here, you were able to come up towards that areas, those areas to the left. So I'm assuming the same thing would happen here today. All right, push down,
Anybody
push
survive?
down, push down.
Anybody survive last night's position?
You guys got positions?
Oh, we positioned. The
We're just-
positions were positioning.
We're just positioning. I didn't
We
see it.
we had a position at 1922.88
What, buys or sells?
buys.
Oh, buys. Where'd you guys close at?
I closed half at 14, and then it came down, took me out of BE, but it tapped me by 0.01. So a lot of people survived because it barely tapped B on the next candle.
yeah,
Like
well,
go to the next
How
candle,
come
you'll
you
see the
never
bottom
survive,
wick.
but the whole chat survives?
I don't know. The whole chat survived. I put my stops to BE. It tapped 0.0. It literally tapped BE. That was the lowest price it tapped, my BE. And then the next candle went, watch this candle right here. This next candle. It's going to come down. Literally just tap that
Oh, wait,
line
the stream's
and
over.
go. Oh, thanks. Anybody survive though?
Where? It didn't come down. Oh, off. You went off stream first?
No, we managed it, and then the runners. I was like, all right, this goes right there. This candle should come down.
Oh, right here. Okay, I see. I thought at the end. Oh, okay, okay, I see.
Right there. That's the lowest point it touched. It never went lower.
Right there.
Yeah, watch.
That's it.
And then it came up.
Ah,
yeah, right there. That bottom wick. You see that little wick? It just went down right there. That's it. It never went lower.
Yo, you want to stay in that point? Why don't you just let it rock, bro? What'd you move stocks to break even for? I was right
a lot
here.
of people like had like a half a pip entry better or something.
What's your
like
TP though?
Top of the range. That's it. I'm expecting us to. I'm still expecting to come down. 28.29 was TP.
You should tap that still.
30. I'm expecting to tap 30. I got 30.04.
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna get the bias up towards that area. I believe the sell is gonna happen today, but after you tap 30 and 30, whatever, about 30, 32, 30, 34. Yeah, it's just like it's like there's nothing like it hasn't filled these ranges yet, right? Like
And
this to the left here.
Go to the 4 hour for a second. It also never
This is the
drives down here. So
yeah, it doesn't drive down
you
from
look-
here. Very rarely does it do it. If anything, this is it, and it will come break the highs first, right?
No, but look at the move up that's happening, right? Right. And then go back like right here. There's another push up over there to the left.
Yeah, these ones
See?
over here.
Look at this. Look at these pushes up. This is all it does. It might it might stay in this area, right? Because there was a push up where it just ranged right here. And there you go, across. See, but it never came back down to the lows. We took buys right here, not expecting this tap again. We're expecting this to happen before 1930 should be the next tap. It shouldn't come down to the lows that it made because every time it just drives straight through.
Yeah,
so
off that push
extended
there.
Right here, look
Yeah.
at the push. See, the only thing it does is this little roam around. This little roam around right here. So as it's coming up here, you might see some kind of play right there across in that box. But overall, you should tap her. So if that's the play you're seeing, that play, that's at 30, right? So we could take the cells at 30, or we could take pineapples over here up. But the reason we were bullish, we just didn't expect to come back down to here, knowing that it comes up to 30 every single time. And it doesn't come up to 30 every single time. It comes up to 30 every single time you're driving from this area, right? Because if you're coming down here, like here, it doesn't need to come back up to 30 here.
Just
down. It's because it's a different.
Well, then again, I already
angle
tapped
of the market.
I already tapped. Yeah. It's a different, like, I know what you mean. It's like a off of a bullish push
into this area. It's different.
I'm trying to see what these buys are though. Can we just tap 23 here, gold? You're a little struggling over here, man. You've been awake for how long now, gold? We've been awake for a couple counts here, and all you've done was push for 19 pips. Lovely. At least you got a 30-minute close. Or gold, you can close bearish. Maybe that 30-minute count can push you down. This next 30-minute count should yeet you down here. If it yeets you down here, that's good. Unless it closes doji here, then a little interesting. There's a high chance it will close doji though. Let's see. Oh yeah, of course. Sure.
Oh, they're taking out on the pullback. Yeah. Want to smell wicks? Smell like a Carhartt jacket.
Hey, I have one of those. Your Twitter bio is so epic. What is my Twitter bio?
You wanna smell fresh? Get yourself a leather jacket and put new car scent in the pocket.
What's my Twitter bio? 23 waiting for a closure above the range.
What are you gonna do at 24? 24 just closed above.
25 take
looking
positions.
for a bottom wick.
26 entering now. 3 years for this fucking guy.
27 pineapples here.
I think at 22 I was saying waiting for a closure above or below the range. Now it's just a closure above the range. 45 fifth and final pineapple.
50. Say it ain't so. Moving stops.
Closing full here at 4 pips 100. Damn, bro, this guy spent 8 years trying to catch 4 pips. Okay, how many accounts have you blown since then?
No time limit on that funded, bro. Take your ears. Take all your ears. Word. 78. Receiving MFF payout. Man, where y'all been 50 years?
I need to save that sound, bro. I have to do it. Yo, what sound should I delete?
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
We never use that shit.
Smoke
You do,
weed
you
every
use it all the
day.
time. You use that sound all the time.
Stop the cat.
We gotta change that one. Actually, no, we can use that one still.
One when you mess up, that's always the one you hit. The wrong one. You use that for the wrong sound.
Ain't gonna happen.
Ain't gonna happen.
Like, which ones don't we use?
Cristiano Ronaldo. Suey.
Alright, that's low. That's low outdated. We can delete that one. Let's see here. Let me just play this again. I need to get that sound.
Thank you. Who's your profile picture on Instagram? Is that your dad?
What?
Person on your Instagram page?
It's Lil Wayne.
Who's that?
Stop this.
Who's Little Wayne?
Stop this.
Alright, I gotta redo that.
Who's your profile
Stop
picture?
this.
Profile picture on Instagram? Is that your dad?
What?
Person on your Instagram
Is
page?
that your dad?
Who's that?
Stop this.
Who's Little Wayne?
Stop this.
Can you play me a Little Wayne song?
Stop this.
Who's Little Wayne?
Stop this.
Stop
You-
this. Save that one. Noise. Stop this. Remove trades taken? No, I have to flex 13 pips. Of course. Yeah, y'all get so angry when I forget to remove this, though. I feel like some of you guys be like, remove trades taken now.
I'm over here like add one. Let's get another one in there.
Remove it. Fuck. It has the only losses. V10 go like vroom vroom. I'm looking at every other trader's I'm looking at every trader's journey, right? I was scrolling through Instagram, looking at every trader's journey. Bro, every trader I feel like has gone through one R8 in their life as an entry level supercar. I went through like almost everyone's profile. It's either like a 570S usually, or like a R8, and then they go after that. They go get their 720S, and then they get maybe the Huracan, or they get the event. They get Huracan Evo or Huracan or Aventador. But I've only seen maybe like 2 guys made it to an Aventador really, or like a 765 LT, you know. Yo, taken in January, I knew nothing about cars. That is wild. You had an R8? Oh, nice. How is it? Was it good? You like the M8 coupe? I like the M8. I just, if I'm leaving my Beamer, you know, I don't want to go to another Beamer. You know what I mean? But I like the M8 coupe. If M8 was my first car, I mean, shit, that would have been dope. But no, I like the M8 coupe. M8 coupe in matte black. I've seen it so many times in real life. It looks hard. It looks sick. You have a Huracan Performante Spider? Oh, nice. Congrats, bro. It's a hard car. It's a sick car. Performante. Yeah, would you rather XM5 or what's the RSQ8? No, what's it called? The RS8? Would you rather have? The XM5 or RX8? The, you know, with the Audi truck one. What's it called?
It's a Q8. RS
Oh yeah,
Q8.
RSQ8. I'm not gonna lie, I like the XM5, but like RSQ8 looks kind of hard. I mean, I don't think I'm getting a truck anytime soon though, or like a 7-seater anytime soon. Or is it a 7-seater or is it a 4-seater? A 4-seater, I think.
No, it's a 5-seater.
Oh, 5. Oh yeah, the one in the middle. Bro, the M4 doesn't have a seat in the middle. You know what it has? It has a little plastic box in the middle. Like, I don't know what that plastic box is for. It's like one of the most useless things I've seen in my life. Like, it looks like this. Like, I don't know what this is. They should just put a seat there. It's not even a cup holder. It's just like a little, it's like a little square tray. Like, what is this? Yo, explain to me what this is. Like, this is what I had in the back, and it's like what do you put there? Like your keys?
The weed.
Alright, true that.
Guy.
Like, it's not in a cup holder though.
Nah, that's where you put the weed.
I'm gonna miss this car, I ain't gonna lie to you guys.
I'm not.
Of course you're not. You're coming closer, guys. Nah, it doesn't even come out as a tray though. It just sticks there. Phone charger? No, it's not a phone charger.
You guys are trying to get too creative with this. It's for weed. I think it's in the manual.
Spark up here.
It's called the cannabis tray.
Logitech G29. Oh, it's mad cold, bro. When are you switching car? Probably like this week, next week. I mean, if I can't get it today, that'd be great, but I don't think so realistically. Can we break the lows? This forward count is gonna close bearish, I'm assuming. Or yeah, and then next count goes to top wick probably. I'm looking for either like it's gonna be like 22.68 chat, or it's gonna be 23.196. But looking at the way things are, I'm gonna likely have it at 23.196 to be honest. 2196. Almost there, go. Just push it down a little further here. Like usually I'll wait for the breakout lows, right? I'll wait for like maybe like 21. But the way things are I'm expecting, if anything, the pullback to be up towards 30 to go down, right? So I'm not expecting liquidity to go up. Like you don't need that much liquidity to go up towards 30. It's just like if anything, a pullback to first to drop down since the foreign dealer is still bearish, right? So that's like kind of the idea that we had today on price. But if today's bias is bearish or was bullish, sorry, I'll wait for the breakout lows. I'll wait for like maybe 18 to break instead. But 23 here should be fine. Trying to do something for me. We consider 1928.760 as a level 2. 28.760. Yeah. Like I'm pretty sure by the time price comes up to the rewards there, we'll be stopped to break even. You know what I mean? Like we'll be risk free by then for sure. It's just like overall target was gonna be like 1930, right? Because I believe 1930 is gonna get tapped before you make any decision today on whether it wants to drive up or whether it wants to drive down. 30 is a level that you likely are gonna tap with the current ranges formed. Because even if you were to go down, I'll assume that you'll go down after doing this. You know what I mean? Oh, is that it? No bond on wake. That might be it. Maybe.
There's a strong rejection here. I think you might close bearish on this 5 and on the 15 reject.
Because I think the 5 did close below the range there. And then it broke the lows, no bottom wick. So there's a possibility that might have been the bottom wick for you to drive up.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, you can try to drive it towards 26 here.
Looking at the 15 and seeing if it can stay below this area.
You mean respecting it?
Yeah.
Oh wait, I'm on the wrong. I'm on the wrong chart. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, I see it. Yeah. I think as long as the 1 hour closes bullish,
it respects it, right? If it closed bullish or bearish above it, right? Bottom wick.
Yeah.
And take you up.
But even if like the move, like you know how you're waiting for 30 to get tapped for going down, even like going up here, like you tapped into 23 every time. Like these are 2 levels that you likely are going to bounce off of. 22 and 30. It hasn't tapped out of range yet. And regardless of where it goes, chat, you know, it taps 34 first or it taps 22 first. We'll have positions for buys or sells today. And I guess like if it doesn't tap either, then it just means that there's no volume and we won't move for a day. But it's still quite early into the day to not expect a push. Let's see, maybe this 5 will break the lows here and give us a better entry. You plan on moving to Miami? Yeah, one day. I have a video on that. The secret MT5 tool. Yeah, I have a video on that. It's on my second channel. If you guys don't follow my second channel, I suggest you go and do so. Very good channel, I'll say, for the most part. Almost at 2K subscribers. You know, we're hitting like 500 views. We had an awesome high yesterday. I think that's the most views we had in a while. But yeah, it's just clips in the streams, you know. understand. Like, it's like clips that you might miss out on sometimes in analysis. So it's like a honestly this page. If I'm being honest, chat, if I'm keeping it a buck 50, this page alone probably is better than a lot of courses out there. Just watch every video on this page since maybe this year. You know, this year up, like you probably seen like some pretty good videos since. Don and Wixon talk about weed. Okay. After that video, okay.
It all went to shit after that.
What is it? Yeah, the secret MT5 tool. This one. Holy shit! How long ago was this? This was September 13. Wow.
That's last year.
Yeah. Wow. Last year my account size was $142,000. Holy shit. But yeah, this video shows you how I do it. Wow, our record last year was 93. Hold on. August record.
This was the time where you just deposited money and I think your first trade was a loss or something.
Yeah.
I was like, everyone was like, yep, you see, he can't trade live.
Yeah. Yeah.
I remember
like,
that.
Yep, this guy, I knew this guy can't trade live. Look at him. He's struggling to even get this balance up right now. Yeah, no, that was last year. Look at our record though. August record was 9, 10, and 7. We haven't had 7 losses in a month in a minute. Yeah, like the last 4 months combined have probably been around 7 losses combined, but in a month, Don, whoa, what are you doing? But look at that, 93. I think it says here 93 wins, 34 break evens, and 25 losses. Last year's record. Now we're 201, 89, and 54. So we've taken like, I guess like double the wins and double the losses since. And triple the break evens, I'll say. Still, August is tough though. 7 losses done. That's crazy. This is good too though. If you break the lows at 24, I guess that'll be the liquidity form. I don't think that will come until 9 a.m. at this point though, realistically, if we get a move. Yeah, 10 minutes to take a break, I guess. Goals when I close.
Say no more.
Say no more.
Get me a Kit Kat right now.
How much percent you made in a year? This year we're up 200 and something percent. 250. The account's up 800. What your chat? Have you guys realistically, chat? Be honest. No bullshit. No capping. No lying. How many accounts, or not how many accounts? What has been your performance? How has your performance been this year? Have you blown any accounts? Are you up for the year? Really, like, be honest. Like from January to now, including all of your accounts. You know, the ones that you traded, the ones you stopped trading, the ones that you know, like any account. Just combine all the stats and let me know how you guys have been doing. And be honest. If you blew an account, say you blew an account, no one cares. No one's gonna judge you. You're not cool for lying to yourself. You know what I mean?
Haha, sucker, you blew an account. Haha. You suck.
Yeah, this is the community too.
No
like,
one except Wix9.
trying to recover. Let's see. Hold on. Blown 7 accounts.
Word, Jack. Sucker.
Negative 280%. 7.8% for the year. That's pretty good. That's still good. Some of the year, chat, not the month, okay? Some guys like, oh wait, hold on. You guys talking about the year? Oh, so I blew 50 accounts then, not 7 accounts.
I need one of those big fingers you take to the football game to point at people.
Phase 2, 2x to the news, negative 100 to 100%. 50%. I got the first withdrawal this month for 1,000 euros. Nice. Been
Your
good.
mod's more toxic than streamer.
Still have the same account. Plus 13% on demo.
You have no idea.
25% a month. 314% up for the year. Oh, see, you crushing it. This month made 100%. 6 months, 2 accounts will maintain break even for roughly 3 blown, 3 lessons learned. Your girl is blowing you, nice. 5 or 10% a month on
What
FX. Took my
strategy
life
is that?
away. Ain't trading in 3
Wait,
weeks.
what strategy was he using?
Over 10K this month. I blew too many to count, but I'm slowly getting there, learning from your streams and YouTube videos. 3 100x 100K challenges. My frozen funds wrecked me. Well, man, it's not their fault though. Well, I mean, it is their fault, but you know what? You gotta bounce back from that. Gotta find a way to, you know, shit.
To get back.
Same shit happened to Wix. Not matter of fact, but you know, some shit happened to Wix. What did he do? Open an account. I mean, has it been a pullback for him? Yeah, but he's still going. He's still trading.
Yo, I'm waiting on my shit right now. I mean, I'm over here like,
Bro. I have a question. Are you looking for liquidity grab 30 for sell, right? That part of the plan. That's it? Yeah, we are, but I'm looking for buys up towards 30 first. Ideal balance to start with. Anything you prefer. There's no right or wrong balance at all. You can, if you have the skill, you can grow any balance, right? Or if you,
I'm
if
good,
you need to
but,
develop
like,
the skill and grow a smaller balance.
my friend blew 5 accounts.
Who said that?
Me? I'm just saying, that's what typically it would be. Like, yeah, my friend blew like 5 accounts this year. We talk about you.
Me?
Oh, me? Nah, I'm good.
That's how I've
Don,
been.
will you
Chat.
let me borrow $18 million? All I need is a small loan of $100 million.
I ain't got that, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I would if I had a spare.
I need a spare, right? Like, it was just like a spare 100 mil in the bank. Yeah. I don't really have a spare 100 mil. I just got that initial one.
Yo, how's your percent for the month? Remember last month you're like, yeah, when me and Don are similar percentages, it means that he's getting some sleep.
Yeah, it means he's not fucking trading London and getting fucking stack
And
positions.
Asian. How's it been for you? What percent you made this month?
A minus 1%.
You're minus?
Yeah.
How you minus? Oh yeah, the fucking thing.
Because I had
forgot.
I had last week's
Aside from
loss,
that though, you'll be
which
up
was
like
roughly 10%. Yeah, I'd be up like
12
8,
for shit.
9% right now. 10%, yeah.
Oh damn, I totally forgot about that. I mean,
It's all good though.
1% is like one trade,
because-
bro. You'll be fine.
Yeah. I mean, like, you know, it didn't set me back like far.
Yeah, no, 1% is light. 1% is definitely light.
Oh yeah, otherwise I'd be sitting at around 9% right now.
Yeah.
But
You've been stacking,
we've
right?
taken
I'm
big
guessing.
losses so far, right? And every time after we take big losses,
Stack.
we just no, maybe, but when you get a confirmation that you were wrong and then it's going in your direction, then yeah. But honestly, it's just every time we've taking a 5% or a 6% loss, always bounce back. And by the same time next month, we're like 8 or 10% ahead of where we were before the loss. So
Yeah.
you see the reel I made after your stream? No, I didn't. Post it somewhere. Tag me, I would see it.
You should finish out the month on top though. You have 8 days left.
Oh yeah, yeah.
4% or some shit. Someone has blown an account, deposit right back, and get my account back. That's a good way to never blow your account. Yeah, we're on the journal for a bit. Yeah, I don't know if we're releasing the app anytime soon, but releasing the journal for sure. Yeah, the journal for sure is gonna get released sometime next month probably. The app will come according to Don's World probably like next year. But we got something for you guys next year though. It's been in the works for months now. Don, you guys see win 30k on stream? That win 30k? No, that was during agent session. We won on stream. I think it was. We won about like $4,000, 3,500. Well, in terms of percentages, probably like 0.3% or something like that. Nothing crazy happened yesterday. Oh man, that might be it, chat. Wah, wah, wah.
We spoke about that 15 closing bullish, and if 15 closes bullish, then you're looking for a bottom wick to come up.
Fuck. I think it came up first, right? Or no? I think it did come up first. Then
You
it came
did
down.
it close bullish? It might not have held there. It might come back in range. Hold on. I think the 15 closed bearish, but did it hold? Did it hold 25.6?
You can also just mirror this because if you're not really expecting a pull, I mean, I don't know. That's a different move down though. I mean, I don't know. I see it just come and retest this level first for making the decision up, and then. I mean, we're
Well,
still
that's what I'm saying.
40
Look
pips
right
away.
here. Look on the 15. It held this area. Then again, it didn't respect that area. It's a little tough here. I think you need the higher time frame close here.
Yeah,
You
10,
took a
10
position in
9 a.m.
here anyway, right? You want it either above here or below here. And once it gets to either one of these areas, you're going to have a lot more information at your disposal.
Yeah, you can have like. $10, 9 a.m. it is, man.
Music too loud. Music too quiet. Y'all gotta pick one and stick with it. Which one is
Stop this.
His little lane.
Stop this.
Music. Stop this. Stop this. I mean, the good thing is that we haven't moved today, so we can move at any given minute. Let's see what the savages are up to today. Oh shit, this guy again. This guy be winter driving his daily Aventador, bro. Dude, have you guys seen his bio? Dude, I look at his bio, I'm like, holy shit. Look at this.
That's the Toronto guy.
Yeah, like 765 LT, McLaren
Got a Pagani in there, I think, too.
Yeah, on order even too. Rivalto, Conan, like yo, this guy, not like turbo ass, like sheesh.
That SVJ Roasters.
Hard. It's fucking sick.
I don't like the Arturo, but the Roadster right there.
Turbo ass looks so hard. Man.
Turbo S, that shit is hard right there. The SVJ.
I wish maybe the turbo S is a little different in the front, but the back is perfect. It's like a 10 out of 10. Like you can't. Holy shit.
I don't like the front.
Yeah, no, this guy's garage is crazy, bro. Like I saw his garage where it has headquarters.
Got a Senna, that's crazy.
His headquarters is like. Guess it wasn't meant to be. I guess it wasn't meant to be.
Dog's like, huh?
Yeah, no, this is nasty. I wonder what this guy does for a living. How many brokers does he own, chat? That's probably like one broker, to be honest. He's probably the LP. He owns MFF. Have you guys seen the guy who owns MFF though? I'm not gonna lie, man. I don't know if I can trust a guy wearing a Vans blazer or Vans t-shirt with the blazer. Or what kind of t-shirt was it? It was something.
I wouldn't give him money if he came to me asking for it.
Something with the blazer. I was like, Calvin Klein shirt with the blazer. I'm like,
You British?
No, he's Canadian, bro. He's from Toronto.
Oh, I knew you can't trust those people from Toronto. Always scamming everyone. Scam capital of the world.
Lives in Richmond? Oh, damn. How you guys know that shit? Fucked up.
Always, man.
Oh, what's this music? Hold on.
There's a bus Cam can get.
Hey, my vibe. This shit too.
Oh, that was a good movie.
Serious. Yeah, I watched it. Surprisingly, I watched that movie. I'm not gonna lie. I'm Canadian, eh? Take a look at GJ. GJ, what do they do? What about GJ? Bottom wick is needed for you to drive up. Top wick is needed for you to drive down. You're in a range. Avoid at all costs. 4 hour time frame closed bearish previously, then closed doji. There was a resistance here, so you're likely going to see that resistance get tapped before your sell is coming down. So you might just end up ranging for the day, but maybe you might tap 182.488 Monday or something. But whenever you do tap 182.488, you can probably look for a piece coming down towards like the bottom. The bottom of this range down here at like 181, or maybe take it down towards 181, or 0.314. But this is the range you're in, so you're looking for ways to grab a piece in this range. So any given point, this can happen, right? Just boom and then boom. But like you're likely not to tap into this range first because this wick never tapped it, and you need liquidity to drive. So you may see that. But realistically, you might just see it range for the next couple of hours, maybe. Maybe Monday might move, but eventually you'll get a top wick, and then that should be a pull down towards 181. And then this range right here is like around a 100 range. Very nice. If you come down first before coming up, then you'll come down towards 180, and then you can look for buyers from 180 up towards like 181, maybe even up towards here, but that's your piece. That's your piece of the pie. Yo, chat, Angel likes. Let's get it. a beautiful Friday, chat. I think we did good. We have so you know how people flex their winning weeks. We're gonna start doing that too now. Instead of winning streaks. I think we're on our 3rd winning week, right? No, I think we're on our 8th winning week right now. 8 win streak. The industry standard is very low, bro. Very, very low. But yeah, we're gonna finish off this week. 8 winning streak. 8-week winning streak. 12 winning months. Yeah, for real. We're on our 12th winning month. Trades taking. I swear I deleted that earlier. Why is it still there? My fault. I thought I did. Is the record updated? Let me check. So what's our record? I don't know. I don't think it is. I think we're missing like 2 trades on that record. 11-2 and oh no, we're like, that's off stream. 7-2. Oh, I guess that's it. Oh, yes, his win. Forgot. 8 pips, right? 8 pips. Signals updated too. Yeah, it did. Wait, hold on. Wait. I gave a signal out during agent session on the 20th. Is this it? 8:30? Oh, that's PM then. Okay. I was gonna say, did I miss journal? Right, because we didn't grab anything in the morning, did we? No, we didn't. 9:43 after. Yeah, 9:45. No, yeah, 9:43, then 8:30 PM Eastern Asian. And then we did, yeah. That should be it. 5 and 8 yesterday too. This 4 candle closed bearish here, chat. So with the 4 candle closing bearish here, you would kind of, if you look left, you kind of see that there's like some type of resistance here being formed now, right? You see the levels we're bouncing off of, right? That's a resistance over there to the left. I'll say this, right? And your support is down here, your supply and demand zone, right? So this is like the range you are in right now. So this is what your focus is, this pink zone. Your job now is to identify, okay, well, if this is your overall range that you're in, right? What can happen here? What are we mirroring, right? So obviously, if you take a look at price, you've came down prior, right? So like you see this push down, you came down prior. FOMC, same thing happened here. So now that you found support, same areas here, is there a possibility you can bounce here, tap into these levels before getting sells, right? So I was looking for today to see if we can tap into, I think it was like this area here, this box there to the left, due to these wicks to the left here, right? Due to this, right? Like all these levels to the left. I was looking to see if we can mirror that push, because that's like the same mirror you have in price. It's roughly here. So if you can tap those levels today for sells, perfect, right? So the day we had earlier was on a much smaller scale. So like this is like the larger scale. It shows that we're bearish to come down towards, you know, because you're expecting to reject to drive down towards whatever this is, right? 1918, right? But we were looking for buys going up first, because on the smaller scale, going back to the smaller time frame, we're in a range here, right? So since we're in a range here, if you look left, price in the past has tapped into these areas before making its way up towards 1930. So I wanted to see if we can take advantage of the buys earlier towards 1930 and get entries from 23 up towards 30. But unfortunately, I think price didn't tap it. It created a low. There's a possibility it still can, because you haven't, like, you're still in this range. You haven't tapped like here yet or here yet. So you can still get buys from here up. But for that to happen, it can't really tap into 30, because if it taps into 30, then if you were to come back down to 1922, that might just be liquidity for you to drive down. That might not be liquidity for you to drive up, right? So you don't want to take buys if that were to happen. But you still have some room here. You can easily reject. But even if you don't reject, right, it's fine as well. If you just continue to push up here, tap 32, we'll just grab sells off 32, 34, and then that'll be it for us. We'll call that the trade that we'll grab today. and we'll move on afterwards, right, towards the next day. But that's what I kind of have going on here. All right, chat. But we gotta move first, right? We gotta move out of this range before you move anywhere else. You have news at 9:45 here as well. I forgot. Yeah, 9:45. You have what do you call it? You have that that folder over there. Is that today? Oh yeah, Flash Services PMI. So that might move price actually. That actually may move price because you haven't moved yet. Martin, what's going on, bro? Are you gonna wait for news? If it comes close, yeah. Like if you tap like support now, I won't wait for news. But if we are getting close to news, I'll probably wait for news to play out, and then we'll grab trades after 10. You know, after 10 or after 9:45. The good thing is that it's 9:45, so you still have the last 15 minutes of the 1 hour to trade. But yeah, NYC Open is in about 20 minutes here, and then news is in about 35. So, no, it's in 35. It's in, yeah, 35 minutes, 34 minutes now. I remember back then we used to have trades taken and then trades called. Bruh, trades called was like doing the minimum. And we'll have a column for trade ideas or something, and then it'll always say trades called 120 pips, trades taken 4 pips. Like, why didn't you take the one you called, Don? That was a while back though. I remember that. News can make it tap. Yeah, I think news will make it either tap 32 or it'll make it tap 23. It's gonna tap out of range though for news for sure, because you need volume, right? I'm guessing the volume is gonna come through the news, and price should move accordingly to that, you know. Heartful Pain, thanks for the $5, bro. $4.99. I thank you, bro. I appreciate you. It's a lot of money, man. Thank you. My US 30 view. I'll be back in 2 seconds. I'll do it right after. Hold on.
Shameless Asian session plug, gang. We're gonna do an Asian session tonight. I won't be there, but you guys are more than welcome to show up. No, we're gonna run Asian session 8 p.m. Eastern. We're back on Monday, and Monday through Thursday, all of next week, we're gonna run Asian session live here on YouTube. And if you haven't done so yet, go join the private gang. Go join Wix's table on my channels. This way you can join us for the Sunday Asian session, right? That's the private session. Good morning. Good morning. You have to be there, bro. No, I'll be there every day except tonight. You smoke some? You guys don't give me enough respect. I smoked a lot more than some. Yeah. Put some respect on it. What you use, can you say? That reminds me of that one time. What was the question they kept asking the whole day? What you use, can you say? What was it? Yeah, I know Jack knows what I'm talking about. Yeah, I forgot what they said that everybody made the copy pasta for. So something about do you use? Yeah, that's why I just remember that. Pineapple. Oh, it was, are you using, can you say? Something like that. You are using, can you say? Wix, you hit the gym today? It's fucking 9 a.m. No, I've been here since 7:30. Are you using, can you say? No, it wasn't a question. It was like a statement. It was like, you are using, can you say? Wix don't gym at 4 a.m.? No, it's really bad for you. It's very bad for your heart, for your cardio. You should not be putting a lot of stress on your heart early in the morning. If you do it professionally or for competitions or you're training, great, yes. But you should not be hitting the gym first thing in the morning once you wake up. It's no good for you. You need your blood to start flowing. You need it's not healthy. Or right before bed, yeah, it's not too healthy. Every morning feels, no, you can go work out, but when I go work out, I lift heavy shit, and you should not be stressing your body with lifting to the max, right? And maxing out, right? I go to the gym to really max out every weight I'm doing, right? As I'm going up in reps. So it's not too healthy. That's too much strain on your heart to go lift heavy shit and max out early in the morning. You can go run, go for a run, go, you know. You should not be vaping. Yeah, it's a crutch. Don't put stress on your heart, trade instead. But your Wix other fucking, nah, that's, well, yeah, and I'll go to the gym in about 2 hours.
Na. Lock it in, lock it in. I'm gonna lock it into right now. I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be until 10 a.m. here, chat. Can't really do much right now. We just gotta sit here and wait. Wait for price. What's the price? Prices going up. Let's see what's on our YouTube recommendation today. Chat, who's streaming right now? FOREX New York live stream.
Oh, will be like no gym, no tension.
True.
The heart isn't pushing heavyweight.
We got more views than
BPM
Bloomberg
goes
right
up.
now, chat. Does Bloomberg have a chat?
Sure they do. Actually, it's not that your heart's pushing heavyweight beats per minute, no matter. The thing is, when you lift heavy, you instinctively hold your breath, right? It's just most people will do it as an instinct, and that makes, you know. So here's the thing: it'll spike up your blood pressure because you're holding your breath, right? Your spine contracts when you grab your breath. So if you're lifting heavy weight and your spine contracts, you're causing your blood pressure to go up. You don't want your blood pressure going up as the first thing in the morning. That's so.
So it's not good to work out at 6 in the morning? When you wake up?
No, you get a really like unhealthy spike.
So
in
how
blood
long do you gotta
pressure.
wait? Like 2 hours? Like, yeah, you know, like what's like the time? Like, yeah,
You gotta get your
eat.
blood flowing.
Yeah, we'll go for a jog first or some shit. Jog to the gym. You can do that, no? And you just jog to the gym.
You can jog to the gym unless you're in Miami, because then you'll fucking melt by the time you get there.
So hopefully hockey though is different. That's different, right? Hockey at 6 in the morning. 'Cause I be playing hockey
Go
at
for
6
it.
in the morning.
You shouldn't overexert yourself. You shouldn't be lifting heavy or going max weight or maxing yourself out first thing in the morning. But this isn't health advice, right? Though, go do you. Go wake up at 5 in the morning and go fucking, you know, go do squats. Enjoy yourself.
Been at Dr. ER and most hard attacks coming at 6 in the morning. Wow. My US 30 view. Let's put on the US 30.
Perfect. Yeah, go to the gym, jog 10-15 minutes. Yeah, raise your blood flow. Yeah, get your blood flow, blood rate, and then work out. You could do that. That's fine.
US 30 here, man. There's potential. A couple things can happen here really for US 30. Like you have this resistance here. You have like this support here, or maybe a little lower, like right around here. And this is the range you're in. So if this is the range you're in, you would likely be, I mean, you can come down to fill the range here. Price can push down over the next coming hours. But for the, or this is a weekly. What am I doing? This is not the 4 hour time frame. Let me just check the smaller time frame. There we go. It makes more sense. Yeah, so let's see. There's this right here. You're gonna need to tap into that area in order for you to drive down towards here. You can drive down without tapping to the area, but if I were to look for positions, I prefer we can grab liquidity first or tap to 134 280 first. You tap into that range there, you get top wicks in these levels here, where this yellow line roughly is. Perfect. You can probably look for sells around there, but you need to come up first, right? And you don't know if you're gonna come up first. There also is some type of support right around like here that you just formed on price. So I'm assuming that if you were to continue driving down, you'll probably need to close below 34,000. And you close below there, then sure, you can look for just more sales coming down. But even if you close below, you likely will need a top wick, just like these candles did to the left here, right? You see how it closed below and then it came out, create a top wick, right? So same thing should happen here. If you were to drive down, you'll see a closure below, and then at some point you'll see a top wick. If you get that top wick, then perfect, you can drive down and you'll grab those sales coming down years 30 towards 33,690. But that's your option number 2. Option number 1 obviously is for you to come up and tap 34 if it taps 34. That's yours 30. $100 US$30 because I trade gold. I only trade gold. It's just what's been working for me. Spinal disc. Casino in 4? Wait, no, it's not 8:30, is it? Or 9:30? It's 9:45.
It's funny. Casino in 4.
Casino in 15. The casino delayed today to 9:45.
Vegas opens in 4 minutes.
Yeah, man, we hit the law there today too. The casino gave us some nice gave us a perfect pair. Why does it matter if I know Roger Banks? Of course I know Roger Banks. I talk to that guy all the time. How's that gonna make you a better trader? Knowing that information. How did you save the first 100K deposit? I've been trading for 4 years now, almost 5. So I spent the first 3 years making 100K plus. So at some point, yeah, I gotta deposit and level up, right? I haven't been trading for only a year or 2 here now. You know what I mean? Like I didn't just come up like I wasn't just a prodigy, bro. I've been trading for 5 years now, almost half a decade now. And yes, I've seen the last 3, almost 4 years on stream for the most part. But I've been trading for a long time here, man. We came a long way.
Chart from the 20s.
You know hit me up the other day? Monty. He's like, yo, I've been seeing you grow up all these years. I'm like, damn, I've known him for so long. I never spoke to him once. And then he hit me up the other day, just sent me a message like, congratulations. I'm like, thank you, bro. I appreciate you. I've been watching for a minute too. I don't think he streams anymore, but it's crazy. Like, I watched all these guys back then, you know, and now I know them all.
Funny.
Oh, she have a concert soon too. Yeah, next week. It's been terrible.
So many famous traders. I've never seen any one of them trade.
I follow this guy because he has a nice 60 Aventador. SVJ, it's hard. I'm about a white Aventador, bro.
Dude. That's hard, yeah. I like the white or the grayish SVJs. They're
One day stream froze.
I don't like that all black.
Did the stream freeze? No, it didn't, right?
Oh. We're fine.
That should be good. Should be good. Yo, chat. If you guys are enjoying the stream so far, I know we haven't had a trade yet. We're still waiting here for news to come out. But, you know, 3,500 guys, I appreciate you being here for real. It's been a crazy week. I think we hit like 4.6K viewers on like one of the days this week, which is awesome high for me, I think. If you guys are enjoying the streams and you guys had a good week with us, you know, it's been a pretty good week for the most part. Leave a like, sub to the channel. Tons of value being dropped this week, especially in that drawdown trade. That was like the best trade this week, I'll say for sure. Not for the wins, but just for the value and you know, just to see the whole trade go down live. You know, like you can't fake those things. You just can't fake those things. It all happened live. We managed it live. We got out live, got in live, saw a drawdown live. Like you can't, those are experiences you can't really buy from a course, you know. Like those are things that are free, that should be, if anything, be sold to you as a course, but they're here for free for you. No course ever out there will give you that experience live at all. Learning all that shit live. Right? If anything, a course will teach you how to avoid, will teach you like, I guess, things to look out for in terms of psychology, right? But you can't get the experience live. Like you can't see drawdown from a trader live. No trader would really show drawdown in general. So bro, if you guys enjoyed the week, leave a like. You know what I'm saying? Mario's SJ? Yeah, no, it is. Like the blue one is hard. So hard. It's a nice wrap. Let's see if he posted it. Nope, he did not. But yeah, by the way, chat, I'm hopping on with Rizum's podcast in like January 1st week of January. So, and he's coming to Toronto though, so I'm not going to London just yet, but I will go to London next year for sure for a meet and greet. But I'm doing a podcast with him in January, so it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. SVJ, you sent me on Instagram, sure. Let's take hopefully I get my car by then. Take Rizum for a drive around the city. Oh yeah, that's a hard SVJ. Nardo gray, Wix's favorite color.
Where you see that?
Janez, I mean, dude, the DMs, they go down in the DMs. You like 90s cars? Yeah, I love R34, RX-8. Oh, I like the R34 more. R34, the
I don't know.
Supra.
For the 90s, it was the R34 and it was the Supra.
Yeah, Supra R34, and there was something else too. I forgot.
They had the RX-7, the rotary, and you had the 240 SX, 300 ZX, the NSX. Yeah, you had the Evo 8, the STIs.
Yeah, I forgot nice cars.
Yeah.
I would get nice cars right now, but I can't yet. It has to be like a third car, you know, like if you, that's like one of those cars we just drive every now and then. You can't drive that every day as a daily. It's just hard. So many miles already on it. You buy an R34 right now, it has a minimum of 50,000 miles on it. Okay. Coming down for a bottom wick, didn't break the highs. That is what I want to see. Lovely. Will it break the lows though? Let me just delete this line for now, because it may break that low and push down towards here instead or something. $19.20 probably. If news comes out, like you don't want to be taking position right at news, right? Because like you're catching a fall on ice. You can't buy it if news comes out positive. You kind of want to wait for numbers to come out and then wait for the market to settle down a little bit, and then maybe like 5 minutes after news, you know, that's your positions, or 10 minutes after. So like between like 9:50 to 9:55 or to 10. 10.05 preferred, but actual grand forecast good for currency. So they are expecting good numbers today. So technically gold should continue down. But that's how it happens though. Usually with FOMC, you would continue to push, right? With the direction that is set for the week, which is bearish. So if that's the case, then we just have to tap 34 first here, really. You know a way to catch a falling knife? How? You download the FVG indicator. With the days on the bottom wick, does it mean Monday is likely to? Yeah, I'll say so. If you don't clear the bottom wick and close bullish, then Monday you'll likely see a tap at 1915, 1911 before making any move up. Yeah. Yep. Definitely doable. Right, because the weekly will be creating a bottom wick too. But let's just see how we close there, because I still believe I don't think you've moved yet today, and you're gonna see a move that will give you a different direction for the week. Gran Turismo, no, I don't. When I had the wheel, I did, but yeah, no, I play Horizon, Forza. Remember that one time Wix and I played Apex for 24 hours? I think I have the screenshot. Yo. Playing Apex Legends. It was actually for a good 24 hours, I think. Trying to be sneaky about it. Need for Speed Underground? Yeah, that was my game back then. Need for Speed Underground 2. You play that, Wix? You played that, right?
Long time ago.
Holy.
Back in the 1900s.
I played that game too. And we connected there. I think that was like what? That was like 2005, something like that. Bro, I used to play that game. Crazy.
I played Gran Turismo. Used to love that game.
One day I'm gonna look back and be like, remember the good old days, chat, when I used to play Warzone? Used to play Apex.
Or I used to have to go online to cheatcodecentral.com.
You ever use LimeWire?
Yeah. I had Napster before that.
Oh, that LimeWire or
Napster?
something else? No, it has something else. It's another one. I forgot what it was called, but it was LimeWire and something.
There's many of them, but
Midnight Club, yeah, it's late. I have Midnight Club still.
Napster and Kazaa, yeah. I used both of those.
BearShare.
I didn't like BearShare.
I had BearShare and LimeWire. Yo, 18-year-old kids in the chat right now, like, YouTube? What? SoundCloud? Go ahead and show us 1 hour time frame. You mean the dandruff play? Yes, sir. The dandruff play incoming.
Winamp. That's funny. I do remember it. I used to use it.
I make thousands of
options
while you dead sit all day looking through the screen.
No, bro, you're sitting dead looking at the screen.
You're looking at us,
here,
bro. Why you
looking
making?
at
If you're
us,
making,
looking
why
at
you
the-
watching?
That's even worse. That's even worse. You are looking at us, looking at the screen. You're not even looking at the. You see how sometimes it's better to just shush your way through a situation. Like nobody would know you were sitting here looking at us, looking at a screen until you said something.
Nah, bro.
What else you want to do? It's Friday. You ain't got a job and you ain't got shit to do. We'll get you hot today.
Stop this.
His little lane.
Stop this.
No, bro, that's crazy. If you guys make $10,000, then continue to make $10,000, man. I'm rooting for you. I don't want. I mean, that's good. That's good. That's the
There's
whole.
thousands of people making thousands of dollars that don't come on here and comment, "Hey, I just made $1,000," while you're looking at a screen.
I mean, I'm pretty sure you looked at the screen first to make $1,000, right? Options, man, options. I heard a story about some guy trading options before. I think some guy apparently traded options, turned $10,000 or something into like 500K within like 24-hour span or something like that. Some wild stuff. I don't even know, but I don't trade options, but that is wild. Chat, how volatile is options really? No, I would not trade options, in case you guys are wondering. Or at least not right now. I don't think I'm in the headspace to do so anytime yet. I'm just focused on trading gold for now. I'm building up my small account so silly, but I have built it from $27 and now I am up to 46. Hey, that's good. Congrats. How long did that take you? That's pretty good. That's like 100.
An hour at McDonald's.
That's like 80%, right? Something like that. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. That's good. Right? Because now it's just like, you know, you said the small balance, right? If you were to look at it from a different perspective later down the road, let's say you have a balance of $1,000 now, you would have made like probably 1,800, right? Or an extra $800. And then 100K account, same thing. 100K account, you would have made 80 grand, right? So it's just about percentages, right? You have the skill to grow that account, you have the skill to grow any other account. So even though it's a small balance, just continue to go at it and stay consistent and continue to do what you've been doing. And naturally your lot size will increase and your balance will increase, right? But don't focus on the balance or the lot size. Those things will do 2 months. That's good. I mean, realistic 8% in 2 months. I don't get 8% in 2 months. I get 80% in maybe like 5 months, you know, 5 months, 6 months, 7 months. I get 80% unless I have a rare month like December. But for the most part, like I don't really even get 80%. Like it's like 13, 2, 10, 10. Like, you know, 2023 has been 40 at most, and it's been 10. So it takes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
5 to 15%
7.
is honestly doable on a monthly basis. Like,
All right, so you're doing good.
Like, averaging that is doable and completely within the realm of possibility. Averaging 80% a month is not. You can do it 1, 2 months a year, 3 months, but averaging that, it's not standard.
Hold on, you have news here. News here in 30 seconds, guys.
30 seconds for news.
Yeah, each month is different though, you know, like not every month will be the same. Like I had 80% months. I didn't get 80% ever again. You know, it might happen this month, who knows, but like, I don't aim to I don't, there's no target goal for me, right? There's no percentage goal. 15, 14, 13, 3,
2, 3, 2, 1.
Gold here. Let's see. Nice. 5 pips. This is what we're waiting for. It should pick up here. Can we tap 1932 here? Can we tap 1932? Is that a possibility? That is a possibility. No way. I waited 2 hours to move 14 pips.
Duck.
Nice. 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 You might move at 10, honestly. At this rate. Bro, every time you play a song on stream, I fucking die. That soundbite.
Gotta check the 23-minute.
Oh, that's how you play it? 20 minute for Jordan?
23-minute time frame.
Why is gold moving slow this week? Sorry, wait, what? Hold on. What do you mean moving slow this week?
Pretty big range right there.
wait, hold on. No. Nah, this week, I would consider it
Damn
slow.
near 400 pips.
That's pretty decent. I mean, maybe you have higher standards, but I'm looking to catch 4 pips a day, right? I will say it's moving slow
Must
today
be his
so far.
first day of the week today.
Oh yeah, first day of the week might starting today. Yeah, today's moving slow for sure.
Okay, if you start your week on a Friday, slow week, man. Kind of tough. Look at this chicken, it's bigger than the car. True.
Do you place a trade? No, I'm waiting to see if we can tap into 1930 here. But when news came out here, you have volume now, so I want to see what happens here. I want to see if you're able to come down, tap 20 first or tap 33 first. I'm looking for buys around 20, right? Towards 32, because I'm expecting 32 to reject to come down because the daily is still bearish today. But if you end up coming up first towards 32, then we'll look for sells at 32, 34 down towards 1922. You know what I mean? To fill that range there. So it's just about breaking out really. But nothing has happened yet, so I can't really do much.
I'll stop talking shit about my mic. This is a Zenith. Ain't no Nokia.
Ain't no
Zenith. This ain't no Kia. Like that old TV brand. Yes, I made this shit myself. Put this together from spare parts.
Gold was 10 pips, now it's 4. Negative RR leader. Yo.
Henry VIII, all like word.
We should be able to grab a runner today. I'm assuming. By runner, I mean like 40 pips or something. Nothing crazy, but since we lower our standards down to 4 pips now, chat, our runner are now considered 10 pips plus, right?
Not taking it unless it's at least 130 and
Stop loss, yeah.
For the stops.
Stops, yeah. 130 pips stops, 4 pips TP, minimum.
Goat. Absolute goat.
How does he keep getting away with this, man?
He must be stopped, chat. He must be stopped.
So 5-minute close back into the range here. I mean, nothing spectacular happened, but that does indicate volume. Like this candle alone was bigger than any other candle this morning. Resistance has been formed, so like there should be a pickup in volume. Not really much of a pickup in direction, but in volume it's gonna be here. So now that you have volume, let's just see where it taps first, right? Because this really matters now. You can break the highs first for driving down, or you can look to drive down for going up. I would prefer either, to be honest. It doesn't really matter, but just tapping 30 or tapping 22, you know, is all we want, preferably, to get anything close to a position. Like once that happens, things should be good. Like I get this forward count came created a top wick for a previous forward high. So this possibly could be the top wick area for you to drive down. There's a possibility that could be. I wanted to see 32 minimum.
You want to take him on a date? Meet him on the Don Valley Highway.
Don Valley. There's actually a Don Valley Parkway.
Don Valley Parkway. See?
There's actually a DVP. Yeah, there's actually a Don Valley.
You can meet him in Don Valley.
Yeah, no, there is that for sure. You're re-breaking the lows here. Can you just come down towards 22 here? Could that be a possibility? We'll see, chat. If this 5 can close bearish here like this, outside this range, then we may attempt something. If you can close bearish outside the range, next counters the top wick like this, we can just grab a piece from here. We'll grab whatever this is, tap in this wick, and then we'll grab that sell coming down towards nothing 22. Right, but I want to see this 5 close bearish first, and then a top wick on the next 5. So that leads you to around like 10.05 for positions, I'll say.
Really good rejection there on the 5.
Yep, and in a 1 hour candle, same shit, right? It'll close bearish if that's how it's gonna close.
And it's might close doji.
Yeah, might close doji too.
As long as it doesn't close bullish though.
It's a lot of time here left. How numbers come out? I didn't look. Positive? Yeah, so positive. Cool. Cool. Mix? Oh yeah, 2 folders, right? Oh, I was looking at the main folder. Yeah, mix. Yeah, they come out mix. You're right. Yeah, negative numbers here, and then positive here. So yeah, mix. For hockey season, isn't that like this Sunday or something? Preseason?
Like next week.
Yeah. I'm done. There's no direction. I guess you can call it. I'm still here because I believe there's still potential positions, right? I think the market, if anything, the day just started right now, and you should continue to pick up until probably like 11. If there's nothing about 11, then yeah, but there should be a movement. Like in this 1 hour candle to 10 should be a pretty interesting candle. Should give you some sense of direction. This 5 closed bearish here, so can we tap 32 here? It's a little far away, but it's a long shot. Only 50 pips away.
The shorts are a long shot.
The shorts are a long shot. It's funny. I don't see anything today, Don. I don't think we should take a trade today, Don. Yeah, you guys are saying these things as like it's like you guys don't want to take a trade, and you guys are trying to convince me to take a trade so that you won't miss anything later on. If you don't want to take a trade today, just call it a day. You don't need to tell me twice. I'm still here.
Like,
I'm
damn,
still
I gotta
here.
head into work. I don't think there's anything there, Don.
Don, no, Don. There's just nothing there, Don.
Not there. There's
No.
nothing there. You need to wait. You need to wait till I'm off work. I'll be back at 5. We'll talk Bitcoin. Just wait.
If you guys want to call it a day, right? But I'm telling you guys, I think the day just started, and you can see off of these calendars here. Look, just pushing. Oof.
Perfect.
Didn't close. That fight didn't close below though, but that was the top wick potentially. I'm 3 minutes for a close, right? A 5-minute close. That could possibly flip price. Yeah, same wick there. Should be in a mirrors push down towards like 19.4 here. 0.8. Let's see. This 15's about to close in 2 minutes as well. 1 hour's gonna close. This five may continue to drive here to the bottom of the range. I'm gonna wait though. I'm gonna wait 2 minutes here, chat. 1.5 minutes until the 2 minutes and a half until the 5-minute 1 hour close. It should give you a clear confirmation of where the 1 hour is headed. I prefer we can close doji or bearish, to be honest, but a bullish closure is fine. If you get a bullish closure, I'm assuming that you're gonna re-break the size and you're gonna continue to push up towards 32 instead. But you can see volume here, right? You can definitely see the volume coming in, and this is good. Like I said, the day starts now, technically. Oh man. Daft Punk? Wait, no, it's not Daft Punk. Forgiato. Yo, wait, you ever put Forgiato on the Civic?
Why? So my Civic could end up sitting on fucking bricks by the morning.
Goofy ass.
Like, this asshole just put this shit on a Civic?
Forgiatos. Oh, that's a nice 5-minute close.
Deserve to get robbed.
Yeah, you know what? Chat, imagine, do you guys have wheel locks? You have wheel locks in your whip?
Yeah, I do.
It's a thing, right? Like, do we actually take rims off?
Yeah.
Is that
Yeah.
nice?
Yeah.
Imagine. All right, yo. So 1 hour close doji here. Okay, nice. So if we could create a top wick here, I mean, it may, the thing is, it may not continue to push out towards 28. It may just retest 27 or anything below 27 here. So let's see, this 5 could, because you're all closing respecting this, right? So I'm assuming that if you tap into like 27.270 here, chat, we can look for potential sells off rip to come down here. What was target again? 1920. All right, chat. Gonna get in some sells here as you tap into that area there. Expecting price to continue flipping here. Break even will be around here, chat. Break even will be around like 1925.85 here, right? But the 1 hour close doji, I would assume that this 1 hour candle will continue to flip bearish and continue to drive down towards the next support. So entry was at 26.97, okay? 26.97. That was around here. Stops were gonna be, what did I just measure up right now? What did I say? 41.751. Yeah, the 41.751. And target is gonna be simply, I think it was like 1916. All right. Realistically, 1920, 1916, like that's what you're kind of looking at here. I don't know if you have enough liquidity to drop down towards like 1916 off the way the top wicks are formed. I was expecting more of 32 and then a drop down towards 16. But if this is the top wick, then it's gonna be like around 1922 will be like roughly the target. I would say it's like a 5 hour move down. But yeah, that's the sells got into here, right? So you created a high previously. And I assume that you're just making lower highs here. So I don't know if you're going to re-break the highs here. If you do, then fine. We'll grab a pineapple probably at 1932. 1932. But overall, I believe we should continue to flip off of this the way the 1 hour opened here. You have a nice advantage point. You have like a nice 10 pip advantage point here. Let me just want TP.
Waiting on 28.1312.
41.75. Yeah, I would take a pineapple at like 30, I'll say, if it comes up towards there. Preferably not, right? But if it does, then, you know, I would take a pineapple there. Once it flips and breaks the lows at 1925, 775, you should be able to see a push. Like if it were to flip, you'll see a strong drive down towards 22. It should be a pretty quick move once it does flip bearish, if it flips, right? The flip is at 25.773 here. It's 5 closure in about 30 seconds. If this 5 ends up closing doji or bearish, then you should be good. Preferably this 5, but if it doesn't, then again, the 1 hour is still open, right? The trade idea is based off the 1 hour. It's a little different. I'll do this later. It was a fake out, I believe. Or it's more of an onion, to be honest. On the 4 hour candle. How the 5 close at resistance. Okay, no bottom wick still. Yeah, bottom wick will be the break-even point, right? Because that's where the flip is. So move stop loss to. $19.25.846. $846 around here. Yeah. Because that'll be the 1 hour flip. That'll be the 5 minute bottom wick. That'll be the 15 flip, right? It'll be all the flips. That's even the 4 hour flip too. Like, even if you were to drive up, I would assume that, like, if you were to get a push up, you'll see this form first. You know what I mean? Like, you need liquidity down before going up. So, like, I would assume that if you were to drive up, you'll see this first, tapping 22, and then you would drive up, right? But you haven't grabbed liquidity like at all since yesterday. I don't think you printed bottom wicks anywhere. Even the 4 hour time frame, right? Like, I would assume that even if you were to drive, you'll see at least like 1922 get filled into those ranges there. And that was like the idea behind this trade. And if you end up running for a day, you end up running, because technically the daily is bearish, so any given point could just continue to flip bearish. If it ends up running towards 19, then we might just leave runners down towards the wick fill, which is at 1916, 1914. I mean, the starting stop loss is 929. Our stop loss is up there, 41, but we may adjust. We may look for ways to decrease it depending on how these counts close and stuff. But as of right now, that's the hard stop. Yeah, that's like the stop that we have. But we may have pineapples too, right? So just be aware that, you know, like, we may get second, third positions potentially. Preferably not, but, you know, I wouldn't mind if that's what the market prints us. Should we continue to dip here? I think the 5 just flipped bearish. Can we fill that wick? Yeah, once the tab was like 25.93 here, it should be risk free. If I wish it was a wick entry, because then we would have had more room here. But it is what it is. You have a 15-minute close in about 5 minutes here. So you want to wait for this 5 to close. You want to wait for this 5 to close, and you want a top wick. Once you get the top wick, that should be the drive for us to dive down. Like this. Or maybe just like this. I don't know if it's gonna dive down this next 5 towards 23, but it should come down towards 25. Unless this 5 closes doji here. Yeah, 5 close bearish back into the range here. So you might get more drawdown here. You might see a top wick. But once you get a top wick, I mean, the top wick, I would expect it to break the highs first at 28. But if there's no top wick, then there's no top wick, right? It is what it is. If you push down here, break the lows, I'll move stop to break even because there's no top wick on this candle and you're expecting a top wick. So let's see what this candle does here on this push. If that's a high, then that's the high. We'll manage it off of that, you know? Can you feel the
Very
wick?
similar to the Asian position.
Yeah, in which form?
In terms of this candle forming right now, where we can't manage yet, but if we break the highs, we can go
Check.
break even.
Chat, moving stops to break even here. This 5 is no top wick, right? I'm assuming if you flip, you're gonna make a new high, and in worst case, I have the same. I wait for 28 to get tapped, because if you flip here, I assume you're gonna break the highs and tap into like 19, 20, 29, 31. So we'll just re-enter if anything on this trade, if that were to be the case, okay? But yeah, stops are break even here on the flip of this 5. Because if this is the bottom wick first and you flip, you're gonna see something like this form. If it doesn't, then it just dries, right? Then we just get out. But yeah, stops are break even.
Break even here, regardless. Yeah.
Oh yeah, here regardless. Yeah, now that we're tapping that support level.
As you tap the bottom of the range here, or filling the wick on the higher time frame, then you can start closing up.
Yeah, I want to see this 1 hour
fill?
run. The wick fill is 1 hour close partials probably. I think the wick fill is like we're gonna be sitting like 20 in profit.
Yep, I got the same thing. 22, 21.
What's your entry? Same one?
Yeah, no, I got a better entry than you right now. I got the 2706.
Fuck. I got shit. 1001. Yeah, like anywhere in that zone honestly was fine. Like because you weren't expecting to break the highs, right? So like anywhere between like 27, 26, and 27 in this range was like fine for an entry, I believe. Stops are break even for all of us, right, chat? We may get another trade today, may not, depending on what this trade does here. If it runs, then perfect. I would not complain. What's the trade based off of? Oh yeah, day bias is bearish. Normal sells.
This rejects here. This is a great position for a run and to retest the lows there.
Yes. I mean, if you end up running that high. Wait, what's your entry? Was it a wick entry? Oh man, you might survive. I might not here. If you were to pull back.
I only got a pip better than you, 2706.
No, that's like 5 pips, bro.
What?
I got 26.97.
I got 2706. Not 27.6, 2706.
Oh, they had 20. I thought you had way higher. This 5 may flip here, man. We got to survive 2 minutes here of this 5 being bearish, but it's gonna create a top wick at some point, I'm assuming. Man, let's see. Let's look at the 1 hour chat. Looks a lot cleaner, right?
Yay, the 1 hour.
Break the lows again, though. Entry was what? Wick entry off of the 5, off the 1 hour actually. 1 hour onion. Stop TP levels off of the daily. Break even point is off of the 1 hour wick fill.
Yeah, the 1 hour flips, you collect your pips. If it flips, you get your pips.
Yes, that's a good saying for today. It's bouncing here though, I don't know. The 1 minute is still respecting resistance here. Let's see if this 1 minute can flip here.
But there's volume, so if it re-breaks the lows, right, with volume here, if that 1 hour flips here, re-breaks so low, then it's just gonna pop down, like with news.
Yeah.
There's a lot of volume. The market's moving. The candles are moving. They're popping. So once this 1 hour, there we go. I think the 30's flipped here. The 1 hour needs to flip earlier. The 1 hour needs to break the bottom wick, not just flip.
That 5 is like, if there's a top wick in this 5, you know, chance it will survive is a lot higher, man. But this 5 is no top wick here. I'm assuming, yeah, see, so no final top wick's not create a top wick at some point. There's a top wick. So worst case here, chat, we get a better entry at like probably, look at the 15 close too. We hit break even there, right? But yeah, this 15 close, like close bullish as well. you're gonna continue to pop up here probably towards like 19 what do you call this, 1932 probably here in this case, and then we'll get a better entry then later on, you know. But I think we only peak like what there, 9, nothing crazy, right? Like, or no, 13, 12,
like 8, 9.
Nothing too crazy. Yeah, we'll wait for like probably 32 to get tapped here, because if it's closing the way it is, like it could just range for the whole entire day for all I know. But if it comes up towards 30, 31, 32, we'll look for more sells there.
315, 316.
316, yeah.
So I'd like it to tap. So resistance at 30 flat, but I'd like it to tap 31.6 for the sells.
31.6, that topic right there.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. That's what I'll wait for. 'Cause that 5 has no top wick, right? Close at resistance. So there's that. 15 closed bullish though. I'm surprised that 50 ended up closing bullish the last minute.
And it's not like, oh, just as we're coming up here, it's not just going to reject here and drive down. I think it needs a pop up to 30 areas in order to have enough orders grabbed to be able to drive to 20. Otherwise, it's just going to keep tapping and tapping, kind of like trickling up, tap it and trickle up, tap it, until it rejects hard. For it to reject hard, you got to break all the highs. 30, 31. Once you collect the orders 30, 31, you can be confident that the drive will be much stronger.
Much stronger than this drive, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what I was saying earlier, chat. Like this drive, like from here, like I'm literally only expecting like maybe 27 down to 24, you know, 22. But like if you come up and tap 30 after grabbing liquidity, then sure, you know, from 30, I would rather see the runners come down towards 16. That makes more sense. But there's not enough liquidity for you to drop down that deep, and that's why we're only looking for a small push there. Right? But that was the game we were playing, and that was the game we understood in this case today, right? And that was like what the trade was based off of. That's why we were a bit more aggressive with it, because you haven't completed the liquidity grab just yet, or to the levels we wanted initially. But that's fine. We'll wait for another trade today. If there's no other trade, then that's it. But I'll be here until like 10:30. You know, 10:30, 10:45. I don't think I'll be here past 11 if you don't move by then. Okay, it's gonna be a very boring session if you don't move by 10:30 here with news and everything going on.
Okay, 12 it is. See, green knows 12.
No. Not today. Not today.
Yeah, go pay the meter. Meter's gonna expire, bro.
I'll just draw down 9 pips. Pay the meter.
Small markets got houses to buy. Damn, player 201 got his realtor playing Monopoly. Nice. Tell coach no fencing. Yeah.
Oh, yo, when's the next
Friday.
Wait, when's the next FX summit?
Probably 2024. Why are you already planning to buy out the venue so that doesn't happen?
No, we finna make one.
Nah, chat. We can't. We're having a devious summit. We can't. We're gonna have to postpone the FX summit.
Fat ass centipede. Holy shit. Dude, do you guys have centipedes in Florida? Like, you know those ones that crawl around the house?
Yeah, the ones with like 100 legs.
Yeah, like 1,000 million legs.
Yo, who had a centipede joke? fuck? What was it? I think that was Mitch Hedberg. I gotta remember it.
Nah, if I see a centipede that big, bro, I'm running.
Yeah, I'm not big on anything that's like that can move sideways.
That's a massive one. This is like a lobster size one, bro. Yo, if
Who's
you
sending
see
you pictures of centipedes?
my girl's like, yo, the centipede in my crib. Look, if I see one this big,
And send that shit you just sent me. And send it.
yo, if I've ever seen one this big, man, I'm gone.
I was about to ban G.
Yo, you see one that big, what you do, bro?
What the
That's like a lobster, bro, at that point.
I'm taking a picture. I'm starting a live stream and I'm going, yo, chat, check this fucking alien out. Holy shit, look at that. That's not a centipede, that's a fucking anaconda.
What the fuck is this?
Nah, I'm good.
Nah,
I'll punch
bruh.
that bitch in the face.
That's an alien, dude. That's from Men in Black.
What's he eating? A fucking steak and cheese? He eating chopped cheese. He from Brooklyn. That's a New York centipede. I already know it. Even the rats are big in New York. Like, that's definitely like a New York subway centipede.
New York subway centipede. We're pointing this stream. It's oxtail.
What? Bro, that... If I see some shit, like, imagine. That shit was the size of his arm. This shit just crawls through your room. I'm calling the police. I swear. 911, what's your emergency? Bitch, there's a shootout over here.
Fucking centipede.
Just start pop, pop. Just getting my semi-automatic right now. I'm gonna go get my Smith & Wesson.
Haas for mod? He's supposed to be a mod. Okay, yo, next week we'll crown a mod. You know what? Might as well do it now. Alright, here you go, mod. Congratulations to our 5th and... no, how many mods do we have? Like 15, 16? Here you go, Haas. I got you. I was supposed to give you mod a long time ago. I just forgot. But now they're peer pressuring me, so...
Is that all it took? Alright, chat. Spam raise for Wix. Spam that. We need to peer pressure this mother.
Congratulations, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks for being part of the DVS community. Thanks, brother. I appreciate you. Yo, there's 4,000 people right now watching the streams on a Friday. That is insane. 4,000 people watching us on a Friday. Wow. Thank you, chat.
Oh, you must have reloaded your page.
We had 4,200 earlier, but now we had 3,900, but still. That's on a Friday, chat. Thank you, man. We might get a trade today, might not. I'm sorry if it's a boring day. You know, it's not my fault the markets aren't moving. It's just what it is sometimes, you know? It's just what it is. It's just what it is. But if you don't move it in the next like 10 minutes here, I'm out of here. Because what are we really gonna do? Be back in 2 seconds.
Painless Asian session plug gang. Is he coming back in? He said 2 seconds. All right. Well, Asian session will be live 8 p.m. Eastern all of next week. So make sure you're here every single evening of next week so we can crush Asian session. And yes, we will do the private session on Sunday also at 8 p.m. Eastern. So for all those of you that really don't give a shit about football and don't really care for Sunday night, join Wix's table. Yes, Spectral. Thank you. Isn't it soccer? No, I'm talking about football, like real football, like Sunday night. Promoting yourself again. I mean, what do you want me to do? Just sit here and look at Don's chart? Hell no. This is a free promo time. I don't have to pay for that advertising, right? There's fucking Don just said it. There's 4,000 people watching. You want me to let this go? Hell no. Janez, let me know. You want me to shout you out? I'll need like 8 pips here. Chat, make sure you're there for London session tonight. Yanez won't be there, but you guys should show up. Show up and support.
Yes, yes. Show up support.
Yo, yo, yo.
Hey, the man, the myth, the
I
legend.
know that voice. I'll recognize that voice from across any airport.
How you guys doing?
Wait on
Great.
go. It's like I just unmuted you in this volume now.
Yeah, I don't know what's happening, man.
What'd you catch today?
Let him host. I might hit a W or something.
Oh.
I was supposed to get in a trade earlier, but I had a meeting at like pre New York, so I didn't catch that. But that would have ran for about 40. But I only caught about 7 pips today.
Man.
Was it a company meeting?
Yeah, like an actual meeting.
You fire everybody?
Yeah, man, of course.
You're all
That's
out
all
of
I
order.
do.
You're all fired. Except the women. The women, y'all can stay.
They can
Everyone else,
stay, they can
y'all
stay.
fired.
What'd you grab? The sells or the buys? The buys, right? I'm assuming.
I took some sells, and only the sells I was looking at 28. The first time I tapped into there, we broke it down in the stream last night.
Oh yeah, the analysis one, yeah.
Like that was like very much the position I was looking for. But it was like 15 minutes until I think I woke up 5 minutes, and then it hit my level, and I was like, I'm way too sleepy for this. So I didn't get it, but it's okay.
I think the other
Another
day
day.
I woke up from my Asian session nap, and I woke up from a nap. 2 minutes later, we got on some nice sells off rip, stack, and then just that was it.
Oh god.
Right off the opening of the nap.
Yeah, but I mean the analysis was there. If anybody took it based on the analysis yesterday, they would have caught 40
Yeah.
pips. So
Yeah.
Oh, you took the nap open?
I took the nap clothes.
I took the
You took the
pre-nap.
nap closed? Took the pre-nap? Took them buys on pre-nap.
It's funny. Yeah, man, this thing is pushing now, though. I mean, in terms of pushing today, our definition of pushing is like 12 pips. I know
I
that.
haven't done anything.
I know the chat's very desperate for a trade, or not desperate. They really want to trade because they're still here. And usually, you guys aren't here on a Friday. Fridays are our worst, like I guess like not worst, but our lowest performing day. You know, in terms of like viewers, like we don't have like as peak on Friday as we would on Monday or Tuesday. And you guys are all still here right now. So I know you guys are looking for positions, but I ain't tripping. I am as well.
Gonna redo my analysis.
Yeah, like, I don't know why we should tap 30 here, like 30, like with the break of these highs, with the 5 closure above the ranger. I don't see why not.
Yeah, if we respect 28 and then tap 30, that'd be nice. But that'll happen in like an hour, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Then
half an hour.
Then again, you can just continue to fly straight until
You can.
like there's a possibility the 4 can just continue to go, but like that's what happened here, right? Like, you just drove from here. That's what Wick said earlier. You may just continue to drive from towards 47.
Yeah.
But
Oh my God, give me a fucking trade already. All this talking. Ah. I got you, chat. I'm gonna voice you. I'm gonna voice you today. Don't worry. We're looking out for you.
Yeah, I gave a nice one during the Asian session last night, right? I popped in, like Wick said, go full send now. I don't think we have enough time, same, but
Yeah, I'm just looking for sales at the moment.
what do you have? 29?
I can't take 28 again because it's just tapped that multiple times. I'm taking maybe 30, 30.6, 0.5 sorts of areas.
Yeah. This 30-minute count just closed bullish too, outside the range here, so it should continue to drive up. It has some bottom wick too, so if it can keep going, you know, this is good. Probably like 30, 31, 30, 32 in that range should be good. Probably 31.2. Yeah, 31.2, 32. Yeah, 32, 31.2 should be perfect here. Then you get a mirror down. Where's 1916? You could move this late. There's a possibility. I mean, I've seen it happen before, especially when the volume picks up late. Because sometimes it's not about the time it is. It's more so about when we pick up. You can pick up like at 10 o'clock and drive until 2 p.m. for all I know.
I just picked up. I'm good.
30-second chart. Don't vote. What up, Ruben? Arvin, for real, man.
I really thought we'd come and tap 23 though. Why do we not tap 23 when we're mirroring?
Yeah, I mean, the buys would have been played out by now from earlier. It was just tapped 23 today. Buys towards 28.
Yeah.
I mean, the 4-hour candle hasn't broken the lows. I mean, there's a possibility that that could, you know, just be the low on the 4 and it could just form a starter play to drive up. Like, there's a possibility this whole move could be corrected. I don't know if you have time, but this is probably a possibility that could happen. That's kind of what happened here, right? You came down from here on this day, and then you kind of just made your way up. I mean, you did reject the 23, but that was after you came down first. I don't know. I think the other day I analyzed gold as like I blocked this out. I think that's what I did the other day. I blocked this out because that was a doji candle, right, on a different time frame. So this is invalid. So I'm like, okay, well, there was a resistance here. There was a support here, and this could just be a range on fake out for you to drive up towards the top of the range at 36, 32. And then I guess like you haven't tapped 28 to drive up because you can't just tap into the support level. So could that just be it for you to drive up towards 36 now and maybe to continue up? Because realistically, this is just a doji. Even though if you were to remove it, yeah, you know, you see a candle there, but realistically, that's just a doji. Look where it opened up. Here, closed here, right? It's basically a doji candle. Nothing happened during that FOMC push. So could this be a range on fake out because you were already bullish on the way up? All right, this is the liquidity for us to drive up. Like, that could be a scenario that can play out. Because like remember 1913, 1914, we were looking at those levels for weeks now to get tapped for the drive up, right? And you finally tapped it, and at any given point you can just come back into the range. I mean, you would have flipped bearish by now, if anything. Just like taking entries here is very tough though, because you don't have as much advantage points. But if you close above 28 and then form a bottom wick at like 25, sure, probably grab that. Let's see. Maybe we might end up getting a regular closure above the range and entry above. It's a possibility as well. It's been interesting. Struggling. Jeez. Oh, my phone's dying. I feel like if you were to already like grab liquidity down, because like usually when you grab liquidity, it happens quite quick. It doesn't just slowly push up, right? Because the price is pushing up now, but it's making lower highs on its way up. And usually when you grab liquidity, you would see something like this form, where like you see like for instance, like you'll see like this, for instance, just a one push up, right? But then it's been like, you see how it's grabbing higher highs, higher lows. It's just been respecting. Like there's a possibility you might not even reject the 34. You might just continue to pop for the daily. Let's see. I mean, there's a possibility you can still grab liquidity down and drive up. If that were to happen, that's my confirmation right there. I'll be in there for buys going up. But I want to see how we react here at 27. I want to see if we can close about 28. But if you all of a sudden just grab liquidity down at like 25 and you flip bullish, the flip would be an entry as well, because you're just gonna drive up probably, if that was your pull for the day. I think the 4 hour today has flipped like 4 lows. It's flipped a couple times today. It's flipped like, or yeah, the 4 is
so many times.
Yeah, quite a bit.
Flips at 26, right? It's flipped
Yeah.
like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 times.
Yeah, it's interesting today.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait for the hourly close though. Sadly.
Second half of the 4 hour candle as well, but it hasn't flipped yet. It should continue to dip to drive here. Let's see if we can get a closure on the 5 here and then a bottom wick in the next 5, I'll be in there for buys. I'll be in there around like 1926 though for buys. I want to see this 5 close above here in about 50 minutes in about 50 seconds there. You should see a nice pop towards like 1931 here on this next 5, but you gotta see a bottom wick here first, right? Because this is the first 5 that's close inside the range here. If that's the case, you may see this continue to push towards the top of the range, and that's a grab we're looking to grab, all right? Or that's a push we're looking to grab. It's like a 20-30 pip range. Yeah, it's this, you see what I mean? Let's just continue to pop here. Yeah, it's looking pretty decent here, man. Yeah, it's looking pretty decent. Second half of the 4 hour candle, of the 1 hour candle as well. You haven't flipped bearish yet. I'd rather take it down at 27 though, rather than 29, but that's what I kind of want to see liquidity being formed there, at least towards 27. Okay, so bottom wick, let's see, can it flip bearish? I'm gonna do your chat.
Bye.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a buy right around, let's see, how far is can I go down towards? Bottom wick for
Just now.
5.
Oh, right there.
Alright. Might be the first kind of low.
We broke the previous 5.
Alright,
What are you
check.
looking at?
Okay, gonna buy right here. I think it just, oh, it didn't, did it break it? No, I think it broke it, but this is fine. You have that advantage point now too. Gone to buy your chat towards 1932. My stops on this, I don't know if it's gonna be too crazy. I believe stops on this could just be below like 1921, to be honest. Because if you flip bearish and you break those lows, you're gonna continue to drive. So 50 pip stops, so it's not too bad. But gone buys here, anticipating price to drive up towards like 1931, 1932 here. Okay. I was gonna say I was gonna look for a position off ribbon and a pineapple earlier on, but it's fine. Buy gold. Oh no, sorry. Not retype that thing. 1932.
Maybe buy gold.
49. Stop loss is gonna be 1921. Yeah, 50 pip stop chat. It's not bad at all. Room for some pineapples here as well, but you shouldn't break that low here realistically if you were to continue driving up. You know what I mean? I would expect this spot to flip though. You have about 4 minutes left in this candle. Should continue to flip and drive. Once it flips bullish, you should be good. You should get runners today if it flips. You're just 13 pips away from that.
This is the first thing it did off the rip.
Yeah.
Typically, it'll come back there.
Yeah, nothing crazy for targets as well. It's just 1932 for targets. Where's my phone? $932,049 and stop loss is 1921. Chat's like, wow, 50 pip stops, Don. Congratulations, Don.
Imposter.
This is not the real Don. No
It's
way.
not the real Don. What have you done with Don? Who are you and what have you done with the real Don?
The break-even point is at 929.02 chat. Okay.
Yeah, it broke the previous 5. What do you mean?
Yeah, no, now it did. It broke it after. We were in some drawdown for a bit. But when I entered, it was still like a little above. It was like maybe 3 pips above. 5 pips above.
Yeah, the flip should be what, like 15 pips?
Yeah.
14 pips?
Yeah, the flip will be a break-even point. Even if you don't drive down, my bad, up, you're going to create a top wick for that previous 5, I'm assuming, to grab liquidity. Tap 30, and then that'll be, if anything, that'll be the push down if you were to get pushed down. But I wouldn't think you'll push down from here. You'll push down after you form that. You know what I mean? But the flip should be a quick push, though. The flip, the high should be a quick push towards 30. It shouldn't just range here. Wasn't the greatest entry point. Or maybe like, 9 pips off. But it is what it is. One minute for a closer. Should see a pop.
Give to me pop.
Here's the pop. Let's see. Last 15-minute candle of the 4. So you have a minute left for a 15 closer, or 30 seconds left for a 15 close. If you can get a 15 close above and then a bottom wick, you should be good.
Ah.
Yeah.
Not 2023.
What? What is it?
They quoted you.
What? What they quote?
Said,
2023. Chat, this is gonna be a risk-free trader. This 15 open up no bottom wick, right? This will be my last trip a day here. I don't think you should. I mean, if you flip bearish, you're gonna fill the wick down on the 5-minute candle. But if you continue to drive here, then that should be a continuation of the 15 to fill the wick. So if this were to happen, then great. We'll close full prior to wick fill if there's no bottom wick. Because again, just like the last trade we took, there was no bottom wick, and guess what? We came back, right? So same thing should happen here. If you continue to fill the wick without bottom wick, I may just close full at like the 29, or I may just trail my stops in profit. But or maybe close half, to be honest. That's not too bad of an idea as well. But yeah, this is a risk-free trade here. No bottom wick in this 15 and this 5. Looking a little ugly, not gonna lie to you. Oh, was a 57 pip stop? That's not too bad. I was like, what, 0.3% risk? Let's see. Yeah, this 15 flips, this 5 flips, you're gonna see like maybe this form, you know, and just it's back into the range, and I don't know what's gonna happen after that. But I think that's enough charting time for me today. If that were to happen, I'm done. We tried, we gave it our all today, you know, we tried. Decent breakdown here. The idea was more so on like today, like this trade here, I'll say more on the 4-hour time frame. 4 breaking the highs, because like it attempted to it's been staying above these levels for like the basically half of the 4-hour candle. I would assume that if it were to flip bullish and break the highs, it would continue to drive. It's just that you haven't flipped yet, right? If this kind of were to flip earlier, it would have drove, but it just hasn't broken the high, and this now is closing bearish. This is gonna create a bottom wick. There's a chance you could survive this, but chances are slim, I'll be honest. Unless you close bullish above.
Name's Shady. Hotter than a set of twin babies.
What is break even? My entry. Break even is at 927.74. That's my exact entry. So that's what break even is. Whatever your entry was. Okay. So we got a bottom wick now, right? So now step 2, you need to close bullish, right? You want this candle to close bullish to continue driving. If it closes bullish, the next candle might see another bottom wick, and then you should be good. But you want this to close bullish, and you have a long time left until it closes. But the 15 looks good though. You look at the 15-minute time frame, looking sturdy. You know what I mean?
I see the Brits coming in the distance.
I see them too.
They're rolling up on the tanks.
Jeanette's still here too. Sheesh.
Cam's tank.
Going on.
And what's up?
Good, what's good? Good
The
night,
penguins are unmuted.
The penguins are here.
I need you guys to bring the volume here, okay?
From Zoom prison. What's the penguins about? I'm missing the joke.
Because we're like the little penguins from Madagascar. We all talk over each other. Stepping on each other's feet, slapping each other in the head.
High fives.
Yeah, exactly. Waddling about.
Yeah, I just was going with a waddling. Just causing ruckus.
Just smile and wave, boys.
Smile and wave.
They see you. They see us.
The Brits.
Bloody Englishman, mate. Where's Haas new mod?
Yeah, where's Hussy boy?
Haas.
We're new
mod.
New mod ain't in here right now.
He is.
Oh, he's there.
He is.
It's gonna be the quickest mod to lose a wrench. Wait. Ain't even here. Take it away. Take him away.
Has he got his top off again?
Top on, mate.
Oh no, he's got 2 on today.
What team is that?
PSC. I just bought it for the fashion.
Support.
Bro, I just bought it for the fashion. I didn't buy it for the team.
What team did he say? Did he say KFC? What team is that?
He's got a kernel on the front.
They told me they'll give me free chicken and chips if I go in. So
If I wear the shirt.
Do people in America eat kebabs like after a night out?
No,
not really.
I feel like that's a British thing.
It is. Husky wants an unmute.
Where'd you go, like Chipotle or something?
All down Wendy's.
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
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 What's up?
Yo, guys, we're
Sure.
going Chipotle.
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 That's how M says it.
I say I'm going to the Shy. I always say I'm going to Chi-Town.
Did you catch any NAS this morning?
Oh yeah, I was in that trade from last night. I closed out this morning.
Yo, I just saw the market dip from yesterday. Or FOMC to now, it's like 700 points
Yeah.
on US 30. Crazy.
I entered at as it closed above 147.88. I wrote it up to 148.25.
Nice.
Closed there.
Damn.
Nice.
Yeah, I woke up to it. I set my top
Oh shit.
loss.
Does that hit? B hit?
Yeah, be
Yeah, I broke the lows. It's just range. It hasn't moved. But that might be it though. That's the thing, cause like the first 5 was doji. That was the first bottom way for first kind of high. I mean, if it drives, it drives. It is what it is. But I think my week is done, chat. We tried today.
Yeah, it was an awesome week.
Two break-even trades today. I mean, we tried. The ideal is there today. You know, like it's just let's see how it plays out later on. But I think that's it. I don't even think I'm trading later on. That's it. That's it.
I took 5.4 pips there because I got rent due next week. So
I made my $30 back. Made my pet back. Yeah, man, that's it.
What'd you do this week?
This week, I did. I think I did. Shit. 3.6%.
Me too. I got
nice.
3% on the dot this week.
I think 3.6-4% in that range. Profit 26,000 pips, 89 pips. Win percentage 81. Well, they count the break evens as like a loss, right? 11 trades.
that $1 million profit though, Jesus.
This month's been good, 8%.
And that's nothing.
Light work.
Light
Easy.
work.
It's nothing.
240 pips this month. Wow, we did 3,000 pips this year, chat. 3,100 pips in this thing this year.
I mean, but who's counting, right?
Yeah, for real.
Our monsters.
Fucking pocket watchers.
That's over there like, hold on, did he carry the 2? I don't think he carried the 2 on that one. He's off. He's off by a decimal.
Someone speed dial the IRS.
Time to make a video. Time to make a reel.
Did you know that ICT went on Twitter the other day and he said that RR's a myth? I'm so surprised.
Oh, I mean, he knows
said
that.
that.
I know
I've heard him say that.
every profit trader knows that. I know they just
Crazy.
All
I just
these
know.
big
all
traders,
these- they all know that. They all know that. It's just you gotta follow the script on Instagram, right? Or else you get yelled at because it sounds like you're going against the grain. But every profit trader knows
behind the scenes, behind the scenes, all these gurus that you look up to, and then everyone says RRR, they're all saying like these fucking people with their RRR. That's what they all say behind the scenes. They're like, yo, if they only knew how to fucking trade.
They were like in some group chat, like, guys, I'm releasing an RR video today.
No,
Everyone's like, yes, go on, son.
There's a Slack channel for all the gurus where they all get together and just make fun of the chat people for talking RR. I'm like, oh, your viewer brought the RR question today. Oh yeah, I set him up for that one.
Look who's there?
Is anyone still in gold?
If you survive, you survive.
Yeah,
Shit.
I'm in.
I'm still in.
I hit break even.
I hit 2 break evens.
You may
I
run
tried
here.
a better position than Don.
Gotta get the hourly close.
You may
So
run
hopefully we
here.
survive that.
Honestly, yeah, you may run here. That was a bottom wick, and this 5's gonna close bullish in 4 minutes and 40 seconds here. I don't see why you wouldn't run. At least towards the wick fill.
This 15 looks nice.
Yeah, looking good. Looking juicy in it, mate.
Word. Would just walk out of Riz's podcast when he asks you about RR. Just, man, I thought we were gonna.
Man, fuck.
Hell,
That
I thought we
podcast is
spoke
gonna
about
blow
this.
up.
You need to start some drama, Don. That's how you're gonna blow up, man.
Yeah, I know, bro. Like, we need Wicks
You know
coming.
what? No,
Wicks needs to come in,
you
yeah.
crazy? I'll flip a table. Riz be like, yo, is he okay?
You know what
All
you
I
should
said
do?
was hi.
I think I
Say
should show him a live
again.
example of RR.
Yeah.
I should like drop money on the floor, like just money comes from the ceiling, just falls down in the studio, and I don't see if he picks it up. If he picks it up, I'll be like, there you go.
Just have G hanging in the ceiling, just ready to drop money.
Just All right, now.
You should make like a YouTube video like exposed Wix stole my MT5 login or something like that. Circo changed my Instagram password.
I say you just have your manager come in and do the interview while he's on the phone with you.
Yeah.
Well, Don said we're too busy for interviews.
And keep him anonymous too. Get him wear a mask and shit.
What's the game though, San?
Grade.
It says crown. Give me my crown, bro.
That's a good one, actually. Oh, maybe
Terrible.
I lied. It's got to be an S, right?
Why?
No.
I don't know. I'm just guessing.
Oh, no better off.
Brims.
Something NY.
Prius. Definitely a Toyota in here.
Prism.
Yo, Huss is a freaking mod. No, that's dope.
Prism.
PRIZM. Try that. Prism.
Oh, that's a different prison. Prism.
Yeah, not that one.
This
No,
works
like-
too.
Oh, fucking hell. That'll do.
Irish. Oh no, no I. It's either SH at the end or ST.
Rush.
I thought it was gonna be Brits.
Oh, imagine.
Imagine.
Told you, SH.
Imagine a story.
Do you know what? That's exactly what went
Oh.
around my fucking head at the same time, Cam.
Trade. Steel.
I put steel. Why we get steel, bro? What you up to today?
What you up to today?
I'm about to go to
I'm
the
gonna be
dealer.
running. I'm wearing running shoes today. What are you doing? I'm going jogging at full speed.
I got black Air
Going
Forces
down that
on.
corner shop to nick a few steaks.
If you ain't jogging at full speed after stealing something, I don't know what you are doing.
How do you jog at full speed? Wouldn't you sprint at full speed?
There's
No, I
Olympic
jog at full speed.
sport for it. That's how they do it.
Yeah, the Olympics for fast jogging or whatever it's called.
Wait, for real?
Yeah.
Speed walking.
Surely there's like a maximum
speed walking.
speed limit then.
What do you mean there's a
It's
speed
a,
limit?
it's, it's,
Before you
it's,
break
it's
into
not a
run.
limit of
Yeah,
speed.
before you break into a jog,
It's the limit
surely.
of motion.
You just gotta have both feet on the ground. So one foot always has to be on the ground. You
Yeah, but
never
I
have
Oh, is that
both
all it
feet off.
is?
Yeah, at least one foot has to always be touching the
Oh
ground.
man,
about
I'd
the people, like-
smash that.
What about the people
You
with
can't.
feet?
It's all
You
in the
said
hips.
at least
It's
I
all in
don't
the
know,
hips.
man. Some of those guys walk pretty fast.
I used to want to school that fast as a kid. I used to try to like beat my
You
record every
would.
morning.
What are the
were
odds that
that
they call
kid.
themselves athletes as well when all they're doing is walking?
I'm an athlete. What do you do?
Rolling
Big
stone.
athletes. That's what they call themselves.
Speed walk.
Speed walking.
I'm an Olympic speed walker.
Oh my god. That was definitely derived in America for sure.
What, speed walking?
Yeah.
Like when the new Call of Duty come out, it was straight down there and midnight.
Speed walk to GameStop.
I'm gonna be slide canceling.
Just slide canceling.
You saw a guy slide canceling in real life? I gotta show you guys.
Yeah.
Oh,
What?
while
Yeah.
paintballing?
Yo, he's slide canceling.
Oh, this guy.
Oh yes.
That's
crazy.
All you saw playing Call of Duty.
Yo, look at the guys jogging around the gym going half the speed that he
Go paintballing against him. It's over.
Can you imagine the wilderness if you saw that coming at you, like doing that? Like,
I'd
what
be
would you
nervous.
do?
That wasn't as good. This guy was pretty good. That paintballer one.
Oh,
Oh
that's
yeah,
pretty
that's a
sick.
clean
Yeah, it was
slide
clean.
cancel. Like,
That was a clean.
just stopped. And
And pop up and fire.
yo, we gotta go. Is there
I was-
paintballing in London? We gotta go, bro.
By the way,
I was on the-
yeah, that's
there's-
so
Yeah,
Where
sick.
would that be?
I was on the
Not
paintball team
one.
for a little while.
Oh,
we got the
shit.
same identical one with the competition shit with the little blow up little posts like
Yeah.
that. We got one down the block from my house. Next time you're over here,
Side
I'm
counter?
so
Now
down.
done.
I mean,
Somebody
it's
hit
like,
me with like a paintball with a sniper rifle.
Don, I would
right in
light
the
you
neck.
the fuck
yo, Wix
up.
would be like,
Out for the
I'd be
day.
like, yo, Wix,
Never again.
Yo, Wix, this ain't paintballing, bro. These are real bullets.
Yeah, you
Wait
go
a minute,
tag
there's no
balling.
grenades allowed?
When do paintballs start going hang?
Fire in the hole. UAV
I show
incoming.
up in a kamikaze suit. I don't give a damn. I show up with a fucking vest with a just big can of paints fucking connected to me. I dare you. I'll pull this plug right now. Everybody die. Get
Business.
left alone. I mean business. I'm walking straight through the paintball field. I'm walking through. I'm like, oh, that's just Wix. Let him through.
Anyone who doesn't get the gun upgrade though is just a brokey. It's just confirmed. You always get like the original gun, and you just know who's just like their mum said no to him.
That's like
That
that
one's
noob.
trash. That one's trash.
Everybody goes after that guy.
Is he wearing a
gun doesn't
bubble
even
jacket
work.
under the camo? Look at him.
Oh,
What?
Oh,
That's funny.
who's getting paid?
He's getting told right off on stream.
Getting paid.
He's getting a bollocking.
RIP to my mans.
Damn.
Not talking about paintballing again, are you?
They canceled Stoic. They had to mute him. We had to.
business, trade, Comex.
Yo, I feel like Valentine does not say a word every time he comes to the Zoom. He just sits there and just just listens.
He sits there smiling all the time.
He just always smile. I've never seen Valentine not smile.
He's always on holiday as well. Just saying.
Yeah,
You guys don't understand. There's fucking two guys. He's
never
in Colombia.
home.
There's two guys in ski masks in front of him. Telling him to sit down and trade right
Normal.
now. Don't fucking
Yo, he's
move.
out
Sorry, I thought I muted myself.
He's
My
out
bad.
of,
And he's been going around
no
on
worries.
Instagram going, look, it's lovely around this place.
he's out of
It's
his
lovely.
V6 or not V. What's it called? The
Man, he's got some color. Look
the
at him.
C8.
Get
You
some
look
tan.
like you're
He's
inside
glowing.
of a whale. Why are you inside of a whale?
The Colombia life.
It look like you got swallowed by a whale. What's with the skeleton on top of you?
My guy got that Colombian bag on him.
Get that
Nah,
Airbnb.
he's not about that life. He's about that road rash life. Show him your elbows, bro.
Yo, what's
Oh yeah,
the-
you fell off a ped, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was fucking
did?
doing cartwheels down the side of a Columbia.
Hey,
Who's just got in?
Hey, who took a position? Who took a position? Let me
Just
see.
took a position. I heard
Somebody took a foul, huh? I see.
Yo,
I see.
my hands are crossed.
Ah, no, I heard that. We heard that one.
That was Yanez.
Oh,
No,
man.
it wasn't me.
Oh, I didn't hear it was him.
Man. That's funny.
That thing
Who was
echoed me.
it?
That gave me nightmares.
Who was it?
Wow, Bonham we're gonna 1 hour
MP5, I was
count
like, "Did I do-"
too.
I blame Husky.
No, it wasn't me.
No, it wasn't me.
Shaggy.
Hey, why is there a Volvo ad? Next car is a Volvo confirmed.
Because that Wix said Volvo that one time.
Get an old V40.
Is anyone going to watch South Africa Ireland this weekend?
Yes, sir.
That's going to be an incredible game.
Wait, what is it?
We should finish this game real quick though. I'm trying to.
Yeah. I'm trying
Oh,
to
I
go pick
forgot
up my
about this.
car.
I'm trying to go eat some food.
Manufacturer.
Commission.
Business.
Money.
Yeah, that's a good shout, actually.
Money. Yo. Whatever you're doing over there.
JFK.
Money.
Man, is it really driving from here? It's a shit
It's
show.
just fucking dropped. Break even.
Yeah.
That's maybe a little bit racist. I'm gold.
Yeah, man. Stop
Money.
taking it personally.
Yo, we're like so close.
It's
Trade.
slightly homophobic.
Trade, business.
Yeah.
And
It's like
extremely
commissions.
sexist.
Try commission.
Commission?
Yeah, it's not a bad one.
Mm-hmm.
Manufacturer.
No, damn.
Never mind.
Yeah, I want Ireland to win as well, Brian.
Manufacturer.
Whoa.
I think it's got two S's
Factory.
on.
Create, build, make.
Building.
China.
Profession.
Made in.
China, Bangladesh.
Comes from China.
Sweatshop.
India. MM.
What is this?
Child
Manufacturer.
labor.
Emma's not even here to defend himself.
I
Product.
nearly got a different accent today after his
Fuck.
stream.
Yeah, factory.
Factory.
I don't know if
No.
the factory because
Produce.
building wasn't good.
Create.
Industry.
Goods. It's industry.
Yeah,
What the
it's-
hell?
Don, you look so tired.
What was it?
Me?
Industry.
Yeah.
I am trying to hop off.
Yeah, you're about to pass out.
Oh, who sent me that meme this morning? Who sent that to me? Yo, did you send that to Don? Send it to Don. Did you see this shit?
Oh, Cam, we didn't play the game today. We're gonna have to play it on this stream then.
Oh, shit.
Oh hell
Dodo.
no!
Wait, what?
It's a
Oh,
What game is it?
double
Double Wordle.
Oh,
Headache.
no, that game looks
It's called
so tough.
Dodo.
a headache. Me, Cam, and Haas
hard.
sit there on stream, struggling.
It's because
I
we're all
woke
little
up once
cretins.
to watch you guys watch your stream, and then I saw you guys playing that. I was like, "This is not good
Yeah,
for my
I'm
brain right now." I just turned it right. I'm like, I can't deal with this.
Hey, y'all have a good weekend.
Alright, yo.
Yeah, see you in a bit.
Peace
See you
out,
later.
Stoic.
Later. So.
Doses.
Peace out.
Peace out, bro.
My dog.
I'm going to test drive a 911 GTS today.
Oh, nice.
what are you waiting for?
I was on a test drive a Turbo S this weekend, but I'm between a couple cars right now. I got like I don't know. I'm test driving a shit ton right now as well too.
Just get a Turbo S, you'll beat everything. Stage 2 map it, easy, simple.
Symbol.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm between a
It's
couple
either
cars.
that I'm going to change the Panamera for another GTS, another Panamera, and but I don't want to get rid of the engine, so I might just get another one. But I don't have any space. I have to do something. I have to get rid of something.
Get rid of the business.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Sell the
Every day I
business.
want
Buy more
Every day I want
Porsches.
No, I think I'm going to come out at 5 locations. I'm putting the next location in Destin, then Nashville, then somewhere in Florida. Apart, yeah, on that end. But that's what I'm looking for the next 3 years.
Hey, chat, what is this though?
Does chat eat free?
Definitely. Some of the guys come there and eat discountedly anyway. Like James,
No
who come when
way.
it comes to Georgia, yeah, they get discount. But James always buy a shitload of stuff. So it doesn't
In
really
America,
matter.
isn't it like really common to like order like different dishes but like smaller dishes, right? You like
Yeah,
order like
like
multiple
small
things in the menu.
Small plates, they call them. Like
Yeah, but
in
Hudson's
Florida,
pretty
they're
far
tapas.
away for us to
tapas.
order from him. Like you wouldn't order from somebody in Japan or in Ireland, right?
yeah.
What's the
Yeah, can y'all deliver this Chinese before 11?
What's your delivery fee?
Cam sells on Amazon.
Oh yeah, you know. Oh boy.
Yeah, get it on Amazon. Get cold meal on Amazon. Huss's cold meals.
I gotta drive through like 9 different police jurisdictions to get to him.
I'm telling you.
Drat.
Drum.
Like, go back to the beginning.
What's a drat?
You're a drat.
Exactly.
Wow.
Frat right here.
Do frat.
There
Fiat.
you go again.
Fiat, like fiat money.
Yeah.
And then do your little noise.
Fiat, fist, list, lift.
Oh, kid him.
That's good.
This
Bring it
isn't
up
if
again.
this isn't
Which?
the most optimal
List?
you're fired.
Lift.
All right, man, Karen.
Oh my god, it was optimal. Optimal.
Where's my 5K, baby?
Hey, I ain't make
Evan,
5K today.
Evan's got it.
The fuck is that?
What?
It's gotta be like.
Is it not loaded again
It's
properly?
fucking
Is it really it?
Zimbabwe.
That's a state. That's not even a country. That's a
I
state.
swear, that was Alaska.
Nah, that looked like a square state. So it's like either
Greenland, right?
Utah or
No. It's not. It's not.
or Arizona or New Mexico. What's that little thing on top? Is that part of it?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Isn't it like 3 countries? A little dot on the bottom. There's a square bit.
Are you gonna cross
Who the
the
fuck?
ocean?
What state broke off and said, you know what? Let's just float
They just start
around.
rowing away.
That's how Alaska did, no?
Get a motor.
The US did.
That's Missouri.
Hey, Billy, steer this bitch.
Where?
Missouri.
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 That's
The Lamborghini, isn't it?
No, Missouri.
Missouri's a state. This is country only.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
It looks like fucking 5 countries in one.
Yeah.
Look at all the lines.
Puzzle.
We need to guess one so we know which way we're going.
That's what I'm saying. I think it's a Greenland
Zimbabwe.
area. Iceland area.
Isn't this like
Shit, sauce.
towards Africa?
Below Iceland. We should have guessed in the middle because everything is below Iceland.
How is the
Zimbabwe.
country so like square as well? It's like so straight on
Yeah,
each
it's
side.
in Africa, I'm pretty sure.
Chad.
There's no country that's
Yeah, we're never gonna
that's
get this
crazy.
one.
Oh my god, it actually is in Africa.
I found
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
but we're never
Bomb
gonna
left,
guess
so it's
that.
not like Rwanda. It's like bomb left, like south.
You'd never even heard of it before.
You cheat already?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So quick.
I'm not saying it. Though.
Let's start
Oh.
listing things in Africa then.
Yeah.
Where's weird places in Africa?
All of it.
Let's just list
Angola.
everything. So we had Chad,
Zambia.
Ethiopia, Algeria,
Freaking
Libya,
Papua New Guinea.
Mali.
Madagascar.
I've been there.
Papa what?
You been there?
Yes.
Madagascar.
Why? What
Africa,
were you
isn't it?
doing in Papua New Guinea?
The guys in Papua New Guinea, they don't wear deodorant. A lot of people don't wear shoes, and they are funky as hell.
Smell them before you see them.
Husky has an entire country looking for him right now. Like, what did he say?
We are never gonna eat there now.
He went all the way there, and all he had to say was that they fucking stink.
He's got the entire country of Papua New Guinea looking for him right now, trying to fucking sweat him up.
Guinea?
Zambia? Zambia is it? Oh no.
Yeah, Guinea. Guinea?
Oh. Yeah.
Oh wait, what about the other one then? Is that close? Type that again.
Where is
There
that
was
one?
the Equatorial.
Yeah.
Oh, Kieran cheated as well.
Guinea.
Wow.
There's no way
There's
that's a
4
Equatorial?
options.
What does that
3
even mean?
options.
Are they near the equator?
Equatorial Guinea. What the
Equatorial. That means.
Well,
where's-
it
I'm
couldn't be
Googling world
Papua New
map.
Guinea because Papua New Guinea's on the other side of Africa. So
What does
Yeah.
Guinea even mean?
Oh
Why does
my
everyone name that
gosh.
country Guinea?
They are right by the
No.
equator.
So I had to go there because my brother-in-law worked for Digicel, and they were opening a location there in Papua New Guinea. So I went to visit.
Oh, they were like, fuck the landlines. We're going to skip that altogether. We don't need a landline in this part of the country.
Yep.
Bring in the towers.
Yeah. It's very lucrative for them.
That's horseshit. The colors don't change.
I swear.
No, it doesn't work. It's not a hack.
Oh, it's black.
You gotta be darker. You'll be darker. Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Wait, what? That's too dark. That's too
Terrible,
dark.
bruv.
Blue.
You want like a brown. Yeah, you want like a brown or a blue.
Uh-oh.
Like Kato said, light purple.
Oh, hell no. Oh, she was right. We won our heart. We won our heart.
Like purple. Why doesn't she?
what I say about all my trades.
Yeah, true.
I want a heart.
I blew the account, but I won that heart.
Yeah.
No, ain't that.
Yo, wait, still your kid have school?
This one?
It's a Friday.
It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday.
You got the School of Hard Knocks. I'm about
Oh. Oh, shit.
Going down.
to about to put a do-rag on her and send it to the flea market.
She
Go
working
hustle,
today.
You get some of that gabagool.
What color is this?
Bagul.
How are none of those colors right?
Hold on.
Yeah, that's quite close.
I'm like.
And you're like pretty much bang on.
The purple, the bottom.
You know what? We
And
should,
then-
we should have a DVS meetup in Magaluf.
Jesus Christ, that would
I don't want to go anywhere that I can't pronounce.
No, you don't want to go there. I tell you that.
come back with something.
And not Pips.
Yeah.
Am I tripping?
Yep.
Definitely.
Oh man, I'm tripping hard.
But you have to like sway your
Again.
head for this or something.
I don't know, bro. I can't.
I don't think that works.
No, it does. It does. It worked one time.
It
Hey,
worked
wait.
one time.
Hold up.
I've moved my screen.
Bob and weave, bob and weave.
The colors don't change.
The blue at the
Oh yeah, it's
The
a lot of
bottom
blue.
right.
This one, that's blue for sure. I
and
guarantee
then,
it. I just saw it.
Like yellow.
Hello?
What?
I mean, this blue. Let's try this though.
Oh, the red's
Okay,
there.
never mind. So
I'll
maybe
swap those
olive. Olive
Like, you leaning
last.
side to side like you got a fart.
And
Why
the
are you
other
doing
light blue?
that?
Yeah, Don's going.
Okay, you just gotta swap those blues.
Trying to
And
give the
light blue
cheeks
and
a little bit of
purple, you just
time to
gotta
breathe.
swap them. You just need the first color.
So that
First
other
color,
blue
olive.
comes Last.
Little bit of move room.
Olive?
I think so.
Purple. No, purple first. Purple. Oh wait, yeah, you're right.
What?
Don't ever dope me so much.
We're gonna get this one
Chat,
again.
which conversation are you
Ah,
listening
okay,
to? There's
Jack.
6 going
Jack,
on.
what is this?
Yeah,
Can't
Jack's
do
like
the
leaning
obtuse
in.
ones.
He's like, I'm in.
The obtuse ones are not a bit of me.
339.
I'd say
Fucking hell.
Where's the
First try.
protractor? Where's the protractor? Show me your desk.
My guy's literally.
He wanted to get off that bad.
Yeah,
Yeah, I started
He
this.
just was like,
I started this for life.
he did it earlier. That's how bad he wanted a nap. Man's it on incognito mode. Good day. 20 pips.
Yeah.
0.
Alright, see you guys at the pub.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, is there?
Fine.
You guys are skipping practice? Going
Yeah,
straight
to
to
be
the
fair.
pub?
It's a Friday, man.
Yeah, to be fair, actually, yeah, it's
No
true.
days off or synchronized swimming?
Cider or beer, though? That's the
Both.
question.
Start on the beer, then go to something else.
As in,
Oh,
are we
no,
swimming
mate.
in cider or beer?
Your ass won't agree with you if you go cider and beer at the same time.
Good.
Alright, yo. I'm done. I mean, I'll see you guys, shit, Monday? Hopefully. Yeah, Monday, hopefully. Is there a holiday this week?
Hopefully.
Hopefully. He's off somewhere for the weekend. That's where he's
Monday, nah, it's
He
full week.
fucking knows it.
Yeah, I'll
That's
see you
what
guys.
Dom thinks every night.
Yeah, is there a bank holiday tomorrow?
Yeah, please be a bank holiday, please.
Please
sir.
be a bang holiday.
If it's not, I'm sleeping in anyways.
Yeah, I'm gonna set my alarm. I can't be asked.
My
Can we
phone
organise-
died.
Can we organize something for the mods early next week?
Yo, let's check the group chat.
Yeah.
Yeah, the mod chat. We'll talk there.
All right.
Alright, yo.
Is there-
Cool.
I'll see you guys. Take it easy, yo.
Later, gang.
Thanks, Dom.
Appreciate you guys.
See you next week,
Take it
everyone.
easy,
Have a good
guys.
weekend.
Take care.
Cam sucks.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, see ya.
These guys, bro. Yo, chat, that's it for me today, man. Yeah, man, I'll catch you guys Monday, all right? Monday at 6:30. We tried today. We had 2 ideas, 2 trades. Both hit break even. Wasn't much we could have done, to be honest. Yeah, that was it. For the most part, that was all we could have done. We can't just range for a day. But yeah, chat, I appreciate you guys for being here today. Love you guys, man. Thanks for coming by. And yeah, we hit 1 million this week, so it was a pretty big week in that sense. And let's see what's next. All right, next week should be pretty chill though. I think you have a couple things next week, but yeah, I'll see you guys there. All right, take it easy and stay safe. If you're still trading for the day, make sure you have a stop loss, make sure you have protection. But I'll avoid it because this range is pretty tough. All right, but later, chat. See you guys. See you guys.
talking like me. Oh, I didn't like me. That shit like me. That bitch want to indict me. She can't find me. I'm like dirty up Sprite, please. With some ice, flip hot beaches like the ceiling. Stand purse, Molly, we got hella things. I'm in love with the guac, gave it a wedding ring. And I swear I had these stocks before I got the fame. And I swear I had the guac before I got the chain. I'm about to whip Perusa, now I don't even bang. Shout out G, we ain't your L, yo hold at the game. Shout out Gigi, that's my boo, she know that I claim. Shooting at these niggas like I'm in the paint. Woke up like this. Woke up, some niggas talking like me. Talk. Woke up, some niggas sounding like me. Talk.
Peace out, chat. Love you guys.